In that view of the matter, while the review petition is dismissed, the court imposes a cost of 50,000 upon the review applicant, which is to be deposited in favor of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association Welfare Fund.
Highly obliged. Wait, please, Your Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, this matter may kindly come up on orders on Wednesday, my Lord. This matter relates to a speedy trial in a 133 CRPC proceeding.
What is the urgency?
My Lord, matter is pending since 2016, my Lord. We have tried
No,
with
here
that
in
history
the
also, my
writ
Lord.
petition is of which year?
Writ petition is of 2024.
You filed an application for the registry.
We have filed it 3 weeks back. We have filed it, but it has not been listed.
See, out of turn listing by mention memo is only for extreme urgent matters. Matters get listed on its own. If there is extreme urgency, for motion, the matter is different. Sorry. Yes, madam.
Please, your lordship. Item number 16, lordship. This matter may come on next week, lordship. I have taken consent from the 16 once.
Okay, Revenue Department.
Yes, I have taken consent.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed after a week.
Deeply obliged.
My these two matter for listing, say composite land transfer matter, madam.
For motion?
Not motion, madam. My 3 weeks time was sought for.
Sorry. Yes.
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 27, Lordship.
27.
27, Lordship.
Yes.
Matter has become infructuous, Lordship.
What is your name?
B. Borgohai for the petitioners.
Sri B. Borgohai,
Lordship.
Learned Counsel. Yes, Mr. Ganguly, anyone from the respondent?
We have informed.
Okay. Sri B. Borgohai, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners has submitted that by flux of time, the matter has become infructuous. Also heard Sri A. Ganguly, Learned Counsel for the respondent numbers 1 and 2. Please ask Mr. Ganguly to report to the court.
We have already informed.
The petition is accordingly dismissed as infructuous. Yes.
Must oblige.
Lordship, I paid for listing of this matter. It was listed on 2/5 and after completion of the notice, it was fixed after.
What is the urgency?
Possibly land involved in this case, your lordship, that was having in my name, but it was mutated in the
Not
name of the
urgency, not
cooperative.
urgency. Don't mention matters which are not extremely urgent by mention memo. We have made it very clear. Except motion. Motion will allow it whenever you say.
Please,
Yes.
my lord, I beg to mention item number 39, my lord.
Yes.
This matter may not be taken today, my lord. My lord,
39, contempt matters.
contempt
Yeah,
matter.
for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, you inform the other side.
No, my lord. My lord,
Inform the other side. Don't make a mention without informing. Yes.
Lordship. Pray from listing on for admission.
Matter of which year? What is the urgency?
Lordship, bank account and the license has been frozen, your lordship.
What license?
Say GST. Lordship. So,
Bank account frozen.
so
When was it last listed?
it was listed on 6/8, your lordship.
6/8.
Lordship.
Okay. Friday.
Friday.
May I
Yes.
please, your lordship, lordship, I beg for listing of one petition, lordship for motion.
Motion is when? Day after tomorrow.
So Wednesday.
Yes.
Lordship, lordship have to list a number for admission with petition.
What is the urgency?
My lord, it came before the summer vacation only, and it was posted after 4 weeks.
What is the urgency?
It's a matter related to National Highway Act.
Sorry, don't make mention where there is no urgency. Yes.
Could I just mention item 20, lordship?
Yes.
And contacting counsel, Mr. A. Kamar Chaudhary, lordship, is not well. And Adjournment matter,
Somebody is not well.
not well. Friday or after next, any date of next.
A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri A.H.M.R. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner who is stated to be unwell. Para? Accordingly, matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday. Date.
May I please, your lordship. I beg to make a mention for item number 19 of the daily list.
Yes.
Your lordship, Dr. Saraf has been newly engaged in the matter. We have filed our wakalatnama today. If the matter may be taken up on Friday, your lordship.
Okay. A mention has been made on behalf of Dr. A. Saraf, Learned Senior Counsel, who has been stated to be recently engaged. Full stop on request, list on Friday.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in item number 47, we
Yes.
filed affidavit in opposition to.
Yes,
So may kindly take this.
yes, yes, bring it.
Obliged.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. So in this case, we are newly implemented, Your Lordship. So like, notice may go, Your Lordship.
It is at the motion stage, we'll issue notice.
Lordship.
NHIDCL has been implemented.
Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
All three S not learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the adequacy of the compensation for land and Jirat, which has been in connection with the land which has been acquired for construction of the national highway. Full stop. Wide in terms of an order dated, in terms of the order dated 28/7/2025, Srinath, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that NHIDCL has been imputed as party. That notice be
This one is 6.
issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Union of India. Union of India. K. Gogoi. CGC 1. National High Authority, Mr.
Lordship,
Arboro.
I can-
You are for 1, Boro for 1, 2 and?
1 and 6, Your Lordship.
No, 2 and 6.
2 and 6, sorry.
2 and 6. And Madam Bormon for 3,
3, 4, 5, ma'am.
3, 4 and 5, extra copies. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Blessed.
Wait, Your Lordship. This application has been filed for defying the order passed by the Honorable Court into petition, Your Lordships, in order dated, first order dated Annexure C, whereby Annexure C page 35, Your Honor, whereby the Honorable High Court is staying the one particular case which is pending before the police station, which has been stayed, and subsequently
Page.
page 35. It's a criminal petition 341, whereby this honorable court in relevant page is page 37 last para. Page 37 last para.
Yes.
In the meantime, further proceeding of the Gorsuch police station, so and so has stayed till next date fixed.
Yes, that-
Subsequently, the Gorsuch police station has been filed one final report, and the petitioner again moved before the honorable court by filing a criminal petition before the honorable court, and this honorable court, Annexure B, page 31, again state the that final report passed by the submitted by the Gorsuch police station. But defying this order passed by the Honorable High Court, the Gorsuch police station is contemplating to arrest the petitioner on 28/7/2025. More particularly, respondent number 7, the officer in charge of the police station.
If it is culminated in FR, where is the question of arrest?
No, but the FRE has been specifically stated that the police has not been found the petitioner. So since we are cooperating the police station, why the
Where is
police
the FR? Let us see the FR.
FR we have not annexed. This is a
You have to see the FR.
lordship. But we have not annexed the FR, but in criminal petition we have
Now,
annexed
what is the implication of an FR? Let us understand.
the FR has been stated that we are absconder.
Let us see that. You have to show us.
Then your lordship, I will file an
File it.
lordship.
File it.
We have filed an evidence and affidavit lordships in this case. Annexing the FIR lordships.
Yes, Sri H. Barwa, learned counsel for the petitioner, praised for and is granted liberty to file additional affidavit to bring the final report on record.
Lordships.
Yes,
Lordship, Learned Counsel is joining through video conferencing.
yes, Mr. Ghosh.
Mr. My lord, this is a matter where, my lord, no pre-decisional hearing
Yes, you have relied upon K9.
K9 and
Yes,
my lord, my paragraph 9 of my petition, my lord, also my lord, depict, my lord, I have relied upon my lord K9, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Jain.
Lordship, total 73.30 lakhs has been blocked of fake ITC. Lordship, out of this 73, total 76 lakhs has been blocked. Out of this, 73 negative balance has been unblocked. So it there remains 2.2 lakh 9 ITC available on the credit ledger, which has been remained blocked till date,
Okay.
Lordship.
Okay.
So I required some time to.
No, he says that the matter is covered by the Honorable Supreme Court judgment in K9, State of Karnataka.
Lordship,
So
we have been served with the copy on Friday only. We have forwarded it to the
this
department.
matter was
Lordship.
taken up on two occasions.
Lordship, on 2 occasions, we have no copy. We didn't know on last occasion, our name was not reflected.
On
That was the
first
very
day,
first date I
on
served.
first day,
Lordship, the
I
copy
have
was
handed
served
over
on
a copy to
deputy
Mr.
SGI.
Coyle's
We have
Junior, my
served
lord.
with the copy.
On the very first date, Mr. Ghosh handed over by hand to the
But
On first day, we have been handed over with the judgments, not the copy of the petition, Lordship.
I'm not kindly take paragraph 6 of my petition, my lord.
When can you come back, Mr. Jain? We don't want to spend time in this kind of matter
Lordship,
if it is covered.
10 days, Lordship.
Huh?
10 days.
Mr. Ghosh will issue a short notice of 10 days. We'll try to dispose of on the returnable date.
My lord,
Okay.
my business has been started. I could not find the
Then
return,
they
my
will
lord.
give you a fixed date. Third, the Ghosh Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has appeared online. Full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the action of blocking of his electronic credit ledger by the respondents. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that such action was taken in gross violation of the principles of natural justice, as no opportunity of hearing was afforded. The Learned Counsel has also flagged the issue that because of the impugned action, the petitioner is unable to file the return for June 2025 of GST. Full stop, para. Sri Ghosh, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the issue is resolved by the decision of so-and-so of the Honorable Supreme Court. Para. This matter had come up for consideration on 2 previous occasions when time was granted to the Learned Counsel for the respondents to take instructions. Para. Sri K. Jain, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri S.C. Kyle, Senior Standing Counsel, CGST, has prayed for some more time. Para. That notice be issued, returnable on, and let notice be issued. Sri Jain, the Learned Counsel accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies be served upon him during the course of the day. Para. Since it is the primary contention of the petitioner that the issue has already been resolved by the Honorable Supreme Court, comma, that the returnable date be fixed on 10th of September, on which date
One indulgence, my lord. My lord, they said, my lord, only 3 lakhs rupees they have blocked. So, my lord, let them block the 3 lakhs rupees. If they, my lord, unblock the, my lord, the extra, my lord, the ITC, then my
that
lord,
has
I
already
could.
been unblocked.
Negative balance has been unblocked, Lordship.
My lord,
Yes,
negative balance also.
73.30 lakhs.
Negative balance also been, my lord, deprecated by the, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court in, my lord, different judgments, my lord. So,
Okay.
my lord, if they, my lord, allow me, then within, my lord, I can, my lord, this is the, my lord, portal oriented, your lordship knows, then I have to apply to the GI chain also, my lord.
10 will pass the order. On which date an endeavor would be made to dispose of the writ petition.
Your Lordship,
I'm grateful to your lordship.
One.
number 1.
K. Fukan. CGC for 1, then Jain for 2 and 3. Okay, next.
Much
Obliged.
obliged.
But ensure, Mr. Jain,
Lordship.
and what is your name?
ML Pandya.
Pandya, please hand over extra copies.
On Friday,
Next-
he's accepted.
Next day, it should not be that. copies
Friday,
have not
Lordship
been-
was bringing it.
And 10th, you come back.
Lordship.
Yes.
My
Okay.
lord.
I'm grateful, Your Lordship.
Yes. Mr. Hawk,
Here, my lord, as per section 12(1), my lord, it was the duty of the, my lord, district collector, my lord, to refer the case to the court, my lord. As per section 12(1), my lord.
yes.
It's the duty of the collector, my lord, when an application is filed before the.
Have you filed an
Yes, my lord, that
application
is there, my lord.
for a reference?
Yes, no,
Oh,
for
96.
for enhancement, my lord.
Huh?
For enhancement, my lord, not like exactly. Page 28, my lord. It was filed, my lord, on behalf of the entire area, my lord. Page 28.
Just a minute. Section?
Page section 12(1), my lord. 12, my lord, reference to court, my lord.
Last time we had pointed out the section, I think, is it 12? Yes,
sir.
reference to court.
Yes, sir. The collector shall in every.
Have you
case-
made an application to the collector?
Yes, my lord.
Where is
Page-
it?
Page 28, my lord.
28.
Yes, my lord.
What is the limitation?
There is no limitation, was not there, but it was filed on 15th October.
No, no, limitation of making an application for reference.
My lord, I am just coming, my lord.
Huh?
Where, my lord, that LH notification was issued on, my lord. 8,
Well, the award is of which date?
8/10, my lord, 2024 was, my lord, that notification, my lord, land acquisition notification.
No, no, where is the award? Award dated what?
Award, dear Lord, you will find, my lord. Annex.
See, it is the award of which you will seek enhancement by praying for a reference.
My lord. And it's C, my lord, page 24, my lord.
Date.
There is no date, my lord.
Page?
But page 24, my lord, this is the, on the basis of which, my lord, page 24, my lord. This is the calculator, my lord. But
There
we
will
have
be an
to-
award.
And page 25 is the, my lord, page 11 portion.
Where is the communication?
Communication, your lordship will find, my lord.
If you read the 64 Act,
My lord,
the terms, if you read subsection 2,
my lord,
it is 1894, it is mutatis mutandis, same provision.
my lord.
And is 1894 Act contains limitation also. Have you gone through 1894 Act?
No, my lord, I am only on the 64 act, my lord. In fact, my lord,
Not 64, you have to read with that old Act.
my lord.
Which
That-
section of reference in 1894? Are you aware?
No, my lord. 1964, it was.
Not 1964, 1894,
1895.
Land Acquisition Act. Have you ever gone through section 18?
No, my lord.
Please go through. Come to that last part of 18, limitation is there.
My
From
lord,
which date, from notification, from receipt
My
of the
lord, my
award,
lord.
there are different
My lord.
contingencies.
I am coming, my lord. Here, my lord, the gazette notification, my lord, the public notification was issued on, my lord.
Which notice? Notice of what? Award or what?
No, my lord, acquisition notice, my
No,
lord.
no, we are on the award. You are
But
aggrieved by
I-
the sufficiency or adequacy of the award, isn't it?
I am just reading, my lord, submitting, my lord. On 8/10/2024, my lord, that was gazette notification, my lord, for land acquisition, my lord.
Yes.
And the petitioner had read this grievance on 15th October, my lord. Immediately, my lord.
A notification for land acquisition is the initiation of the proceeding.
My lord,
The proceeding ends with an award.
my lord,
Now the award, if you are aggrieved by the award, you can pray for a reference under 12.
my lord.
Where is the award?
This is 25, my lord.
24 is the only estimate copy. right?
Estimate copy.
You take instruction, Mr. Hawk. Where is your application to the collector?
Page 28, my lord.
28.
My lord.
Have you mentioned anything about the award?
Here, my lord, at paragraph 2, my lord. Valuation of land. We kindly require that the best possible value of the land in accordance with
No,
the
this is
current.
at the stage of making the award. This is, unless the award is there, there is no scope.
No mention of award.
You take instructions. Madam, you also take instructions.
My lord, Under what process it is?
If the process has culminated into an award, please take the instruction.
Mine.
Okay. Heard 3S Fox Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has filed this application with regard to the quantum of award pursuant to a land acquisition proceeding which has been initiated under the Assam Land within bracket Requisition and Acquisition Act 1964. Full stop. The pleadings as well as documents which have been placed before this court, however, would not show the as to whether any award has been passed for which a reference can be sought for. Full stop. Sri Hawk, the learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Ms. M. Borman, London State Council, are directed to obtain instructions in this regard. Better. Let an extra copy of this of the writ petition be served upon Ms. Borman
Mine.
to enable her to obtain the instructions.
Mine.
List after 2 weeks
2 weeks.
for motion.
Mine. Obliged.
Fine. Like, I filed an additional affidavit, my lord. In fact, my lord, the land was allotted by the government and we have made the construction, my lord. And then, my lord, SDC directed, my lord, our circular, sir, and to, yes, my lord. That is, your lordship will find that because para 10 was not properly, my lord, shown. So that
Okay,
is
yes,
why
yes, we remember.
Yes, page 42, my lord, I have said that. Para 3, that is again, my lord, I have quoted para 10.
Yes, where is the allotment in your
My
favor?
lord, yes, my lord, your lordships will find, my lord, annexure, page 20.
20.
20. And thereafter, we have, my lord, the
Heard
Dagol,
Sri
the part
D.
Dag
N.
has-
Sahavala, learned senior counsel for the petitioner assisted by Sri M. Sahavala, whose grievance is against the verbal intimation by the circle officer Sipsagar on 8/8/2025 purporting to evict the petitioner from the plot of land measuring 1 bigha.
Yes,
Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the said plot of land was allotted by the government by following the due process of law. Full stop. Para.
and they have
The
constructed
learned
a
senior
house.
counsel has also drawn the attention of this court to the additional affidavit filed on 22nd August 2025 as the pleadings in the writ petition, as the relevant pleadings in the writ petition were not properly verified. Para, let notice be issued returnable by. Is there any private respondent?
No,
Returnable by 4 weeks. Madam, revenue. Yes, G. Hazurika for Standing Council 1, M. Borman Standing State Council for 2, 3, and 4. Extra copies. Para. The learned Senate Council for the petitioner prays for an interim order. Para. On perusal of the letter of allotment dated 23/2/2006, it is provided that no coercive action for eviction be taken against the petitioner till the returnable date. Is extra copy, no? Report extra copy. If I submit extra copy
Obliged.
of both the petition and the additional affidavit.
yes, please.
Yes, Mr.
My
Chair.
lord, in item number 6, at this stage, I am trying for a short notice, my lord.
Regarding what?
No, actually, my lord, the respondent number 5 is guilty of, my lord, the statutory provision of anti-defection. So, my lord, it is the district commissioner who has to take the call. If your lordship so kindly
How
have
many of you are there?
my lord.
How many of you are there? You are one. You are.
My lord, there are only 4, out of which respondent number 5 out of three, INC, respondent number five, my lord, did not allow, did not follow the party whip. So instead, C, my lord, proposed one independent, and therefore there was a tie.
One case has been filed already.
So that is by the president, my lord. This is for the post of vice president.
Okay, yes.
Or a
I think,
third
Mr. You are there
Yeah.
in that case? Okay, third, Sri K. N. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel assisted by Sri A. Jed Ahmed. Post of the grievance of the petitioner is with regard to the inaction of the respondent number.
This four, my lord, district
no.
commissioner.
This respondent number 4 in taking appropriate action against the respondent number
Five.
5 who had acted in violation of the
Section
provisions of section 11 within bracket 3
within bracket small two.
small 2 of the sum
Yes, read with me, lord. 111 subsection 3
3
clause
1
1A, B and C.
1A and B and C, huh? Please repeat again. First
My
is
lord, 113 1A, B, C. All should be in bracket, my lord.
no that is the second. What is the first primary?
111 subsection 3 clause 2.
This is the power of the district commissioner.
Yes.
Okay. Clause 2 and read with 111 within bracket 3 within
Within
bracket small
bracket
1
1, within bracket small
A,
a,
then
B and C.
Okay. Have you made a mention of the other case?
Here we have not done, my lord.
No, we can have, since the issue is the same.
Same, it can
we
be
will
taken
connect.
together.
Because,
Yes.
this court has, however, been informed that a similar case filed by
Give the number.
filed for the post of president filed and is pending, being WPC so and so. That notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks.
Let it be 4 weeks, my lord.
No, there are private respondents.
15. Huh? 16. The other matter is fixed on 15th of September.
But there are private respondents. How do you serve?
Apart from my lord, normal mode, we may be permitted
Dusty.
dusty.
Oh, let notice of motion be issued, huh? Returnable Nakoba. Sri S. Dutta,
1 and 2, madam.
standing counsel PNRD 1 and 2. Yes, election commission, Dubey or
Normally.
AB Kayasta? Dubey is there in the court or not?
I have not seen yet, madam.
Senior serve copy.
Is he there in the court or Madam Kayasta, whoever is there? Naam to nahi diba. Please inform the court.
I'll inform
Name is shown in the cause list.
Yes.
I'll inform them.
No, whoever is present in
Yes,
the court
yes.
will put his or her name.
My lord.
Spot 3. Then 4 extra copies. 5, 6, 7 by registered postal AD. Para. The prayer for service upon the private respondent by Dusty is also made, which is allowed. Such justice to be routed so and so. Next date to be listed, affidavit before the next date. It is submitted that the connected case is fixed on 15th of September 2025. Para, list this case along with so and so on 15th of September. Mr. Ahmed filed the affidavit before.
Pendency shall not be a bar for the commissioner to dispose.
Yes, pendency shall not be a bar.
Yes.
For the authority to take action on the application of the petitioner. In accordance with law.
I'll look for.
Met please, lordship. Yeah, my lord, Sokoj was issued, my lord, clubbing 3 different years, my lord. A Sokoj was issued clubbing 3 different years, my lord. Now, one of the years is 2000, my lord, 1920, my lord. 1920 financial year.
Oh.
The
1920,
1920 financial year, my lord. And my lord, the
Which year?
2019, 2020.
2019, 20.
Yes,
Okay.
My lord, for the purpose of, my lord, passing order for the financial year in 1920, my lord, there was a notification whereby the date was extended, my lord. That notification was interfered by the Honorable Court. Now the issue is pending before the Honorable Apex Court, my lord. The other three different issues, one of the main issues is this, my lord, that the notification by which the order was passed, it has been satisfied by this honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
Yes, what do you
Similar
say?
issues are pending, my lord, I have given you before.
Doctor, regarding petition 23, it is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. And regarding the notices on consolidated years, Lordship, a judgment has been passed by the division bench of the Honorable Delhi High Court, where it has been considered and the High Court
Allowed.
favor in the favor of the revenue.
It is
Lordship.
distinguishable because my.
And based on this, another judgment has been passed by the Honorable Delhi High Court, division bench judgment, Lordship.
Okay, we'll issue notice at this stage.
I have given a copy of similar orders in there, my lord.
Heard. 3 R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who is aggrieved by the action of the CGST in clubbing 3 financial years, namely 2019-2020, 2020-2021 and 2021-2022, and passing the impugned order dated 29/8/2024. Full stop. It is submitted that this court, via an order dated 19/9/2024, passed in WPC 3585 of 2024, had earlier interfered with the notification dated 28/12/2023. Correct?
My lord.
And this matter is in the Supreme Court.
Lordship, wide SLP number 4240 of
Appara.
25.
3 K. Jain, learned counsel, appearing on instruction of 3 S.C. Kyle, senior standing counsel CGST, has however informed that the aforesaid order of this High Court, of this court, is presently pending consideration.
No, my
Lordship,
in the-
it's against the Madras High Court.
my lord, the issue, this order is pending for division bench of this honorable court, and other high court has passed the order which is pending before the honorable.
Pending
court.
before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Okay, has however informed that the aforesaid order dated 19/9/2024 is however pending consideration before the Honorable Division Bench.
Lordship,
And the issue otherwise is also pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Lordship,
He has also submitted that the Division Bench of the Honorable Delhi High Court and Delhi High
both the
Court
judgments are.
has resolved this issue in favor of the revenue.
Lordship.
Sarah, that notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Union of India, madam, will take your name.
M Das appearing on
M.
behalf of
Ms. M. Dust, learned counsel, appearing on instruction of the SK Medhi, CGC for 1. Rest, Mr. Jain,
Lordship,
A. Jain, on behalf of counsel, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extra copies
Lordship, also the order is an appealable order under 107, Lordship.
are court order. He has also submitted that the impugned order, that there is a provision for preferring an appeal against the impugned order.
Some protection till that, my lord.
What kind
So
of?
already, my lord, this notification interfered with, it is not been stayed, my lord. Notification not been stayed by any court, my lord. Therefore, this particular financial cannot be taken into consideration, my lord.
C3 Mishra, learned counsel, prays for an interim order. Para, till the returnable date, no coercive action be taken against the petitioner.
Nothing, my lord.
Returnable kitty rules. With a motion, return, or you give a date. If there's an interim order, we give a
My
date.
lord.
Today is first, we'll have it on 1, 2, 3. We'll have it on immediately on the reopening, 13th,
Lordship,
13th, 1, 3. 13th of October. Give extra copies.
My lord. Here, my lord, is so called was issued, my lord. Petitioner duly, in this case, so called was issued, petitioner duly submitted reply.
Focus for what?
So called for recovery of service tax.
Okay, then
Petitioner submitted his reply. The order was passed. In the order, they have said there is no reply was submitted, my lord. Now, Lordship will see, my lord, the reply is at page 62, my lord. It has been duly acknowledged, my lord.
yes,
we will take instruction on that.
don't take action. Heard 3 R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. it is the contention of the petitioner that pursuant to pursuant to the financial year dated 2016 17, a show cause notice was issued on 22/10/21 regarding certain recovery along with interest and penalty. The petitioner claims to have submitted his reply on 28/2/2023. However, the impugned order has been passed on 17/5/2024 by making an observation that the petitioner had failed to show cause. The learned counsel has submitted that the reply of the petitioner was duly acknowledged, in spite of which the same was not taken into consideration. But it's an old order, 2024 order.
Lordship, also it's an appealable order.
Otherwise, there are other grounds also, my section 73(4)B is violated, my lord. It's also
But
without jurisdiction.
how do you stay a 24 order we are in September?
Lordship,
It is a perverse order, my lord. Lordship, even sees, but
But what is the stage now? We do not know. What is the stage? That notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks, returnable on 6 weeks, huh? Same, one MDAS on behalf of West Committee CGC, 2 and 3, K Jain on behalf of 2 and 6. 3 Jain, the learned counsel has however submitted that the order impugned is an appealable order. Para? 3, Mr. Appraised for an interim order, para, considering the facts and circumstances, comma, till the next returnable date, no coercive action, same. Released on 13 October.
much obliged. Much obliged. My lord, here a SOCOS was issued, my lord, under section 74, my lord. Now SOCOS does not contain any particulars. The lordship will find it page 22 the SOCOS, my lord.
Page
Page
number
22 is the SOCOS, my lord.
22. Let us see the enclosures to the show cause.
My lord. The enclosure is just a 01 only, my lord. Here, enclosure is page 25.
It has come to my notice that tax due has not been paid or short paid. Reply, yes, immediately, yes.
Page 25, my lordship will see
A, brief facts.
mismatch between points. Other,
Yes.
it has been given. We have given.
My
the
lordship will
period.
section 74, my lord. Section 74 requires,
So
my
what
lord.
is your case? What is the case you are trying to make out?
Well, first of all, they invoke section 74, which requires that there has to be allegation of intention to evade tax. That is absent. My lord, what mismatch, how mismatch, nothing is mentioned, my lord. Just simply they quoted, my lord, which is the so-called, they quoted a provision of section 74 and asked to pay the money, my lord.
But they have given the summary of the show cause notice
That-
at page 70.
You will see what is the summary, my lord. Page 25.
Yes,
Brief fact mismatch, TDS GST TV.
yes.
Now, my lord, what amount? There are numbers of transactions, my lord. Nothing is mentioned, my lord.
No, see the transaction in the table.
This is they have asked to make their payment to this amount.
Yes, see the table.
Yes, ma'am, they have asked to make the payment to this amount, tax amount directly. Tax column, then there is an interest column and penalty column, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Even lordship will see the order,
You get the instructions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll have it on Monday next.
my lord.
Don't take any course of action
My
till
lord.
then, okay? Third, 3, R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by
Page 23 is the
Ashoka's
order.
notice dated 5/3/2024, whereby a demand of rupees 32,04,514 has been made by invoking section 74 of the CGST/AGST Act 2017. Full stop. The challenge has been made by alleging that apart from the show cause notice being vague, comma, there is no particulars of any mismatch between the TDS and the
GST 3B.
assessment
GST 3B. The return, my lord.
and the return. Para 3 B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, state Standing Council, Finance Taxation Department, prays for some time to obtain instructions. Correct? List for motion on
10th.
on 8th or 10th,
10th.
on 10th. Well, but this is a 24 order. What action now?
Yeah, otherwise.
Since the Lordship is fixing for, but Lordship,
Motion.
otherwise the order is
The
without jurisdiction.
interim, the prayer for interim order will be considered on the next date.
Item 11 is similar, 9 and
Similar.
11 similar.
Okay, then, to facilitate Sri Gogoi to obtain the instructions, let an extra copy of the writ petition be served upon him during the course of the day. Okay. Same order. But order, dates will be different.
Different, I will provide.
Please give the date.
My lord.
Second is, we give it right now.
Yes, my lord. The order date is, my lord, 5/3/2024, my lord.
Next is 5/3/2024, and the
Item
third one? Third one?
But my lord, item 10 is different, my lord. Item 9 and 11 are
Oh,
similar.
9 and 11 are.
9 and 11 similar.
Okay. 9 or 11 to 10?
10. My lord, here, my lord, no so cause was issued, only form DRC 01 was issued. It is covered by Lordship's order, my lord.
Let me on Monday, my lord, short notice, at least I will integrate.
Okay, heard three. RS Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the action of the respondent authorities in raising a demand for recovery of rupees 53,40,272. Full stop. It is submitted that such action has been taken without even issuing a so-called notice. Correct? Let instructions be he has also submitted that similar issues have been resolved by this court in a number of cases, and the same order would cover the present case. Para 3. B. Gogoi Learned Standing Counsel, Finance Taxation Department, prays for some time to obtain instructions. Para list on Friday.
My lord.
To facilitate, huh? One copy. Given a extra
Fine.
copy.
Lordship, this matter may be taken up after some time, Lordship.
What is this about?
Lordship, this matter is about demarcation and eviction, Lordship.
Non?
Demarcation and eviction, Lordship.
Demarcation and eviction. What? Caribbean law.
The Lordship, it may be taken after some time, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Tutin.
I'll take the instruction, my lord, at this stage, my lord. It appears that the notice is at page 43, my lord, and the contention of the petition is different, that, my lord. Page 43, annexer 15, my lord. Doc number 1.
Okay, we'll have it after a while. Yes.
And here, Sokos was issued, my two Sokos were issued to the petitioner regarding, my lord, that they have claimed input tax credit from non-existing taxpayers, my lord. Petitioner submitted his reply, my lord, and the proceeding is pending. Now, pending proceeding, my lord, they have issued a Sokos for cancellation of my GST, my lord, and they have suspended my GST, my lord. Now, my lord, the proceeding, whether the ITC is fake or not, is pending. I have submitted my reply, it is pending consideration. Pending those Sokos notices, my lord, adjudication, my lord, they have issued a notice for suspending my GST, my lord.
Now, is this present action connected with the earlier action? It may be a fresh action.
Now, Lordship may see, first of all, the Sokos, which I am challenging at page 36.
Yes.
It contains no particular, simply says, my lord, Rule 21E. Person avails ITC in violation of provisions of section 16 of the Act or rules made thereunder. Otherwise, it does not contain any particulars, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
Page 21, Lordship will see.
Yes.
It's part of the first so-called.
Hmm.
Lordship will see ITC claimed from.
First so-called means 16.5.
Yes.
Yes.
In that proceeding, in fact, my lord, the details was already given. Page 21, Lordship will say ITC claimed from non-existing taxpayers.
Now,
I don't think I
is,
submitted reply.
is,
my lord.
is the second so-called notice on a different cause of action or is it connected there?
Connected, my lord, it will have to be connected because you have
No,
stated.
How can you connect it? If it's a different cause of action, you can definitely.
No, different cause of action, but my lord, the issue otherwise, my lord, fake ITC, my lord, or fraudulently obtaining ITC, that part, my lord, we have, my lord, discovered from this particular, my lord, proceeding from the
But
first.
you take action against that person, he has submitted
No,
some cause.
the provisions are different, my lord. 74 will be different in that case. Moment we can detect.
I
And
lose
if
my
it,
lord.
if it is for an independent cause of action, how can you be aggrieved? You file your reply.
Yes, in fact, my
Final
lord, he
reply.
has submitted one reply, my lord,
My lord,
is
See,
37.
it was suspended on 23/7/2025.
Yes.
We have submitted a reply
Hmm.
at page 37. The proceeding is pending.
Yes.
Neither they have responsible proceeding nor they have issued any hearing notice, my lord. And also, my lord, suppose if I lose the other
You have
proceeding.
submitted your reply to 23/7/2025.
Yes, my page 37,
Which date?
On 26/7.
26/7, my lord.
After 3 days.
Yes,
You can pass orders on that.
Lots of, then,
But let's see, one more thing I'm arguing. Suppose, my lord, I have availed a fake ITC. Proceedings are pending. If I lose, I will go for appeal. There is a provisions are there. But for this matter, my business cannot be stalled, my lord. Because of this proceeding, my business has been stalled, my lord.
well,
I'm not been
then
able to
Lakshmi may
make
take
it
up day after
transaction.
tomorrow, at least I will have the status of this, my lord, second.
Okay, yes.
It will be more
Fair enough.
comfortable.
Okay. Heard Sri R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by the initiation of fresh proceeding by notice dated 23/7/2025.
My lord.
It is submitted that the earlier proceeding, which was initiated by Choko's notice dated 16/7/2025, is yet to be finally adjudicated. Full stop. He has also informed that there is an appellate provision also. Full stop. Para. Three. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, Finance Taxation Department, praised for some time to obtain instructions on the status of the proceedings. Para. On request, list on when? Wednesday or Friday?
Friday, my lord.
On Friday. Extra copies, huh? To facilitate.
Much obliged.
Give an extra copy.
My lord.
4 days.
Please, your lord.
Yes.
My lord, here in this case, my lord, AGM of Purua GPSF held on 12/9/2014 in a very irregular manner, my lord. There was a complaint filed by some.
Purva, we have, I think, dealt with a matter recently.
Yes, your lordship.
I think Advocate R.P. Sharma was there.
Yes, my lord. Just now my learned friend has informed me,
This
my
is
lord.
order, my lord, notice has been passed. in it.
Yes, now same cause.
Then, my
Same
lord,
impugn order, your lordship.
same impugnement. Then, my
Same
lord,
committee, your lordship.
then, my lord, it may be tagged with that matter, my lord.
Who are you? Are you different? They are different. Who are
No,
the
my lord.
petitioners
We
there?
are the shareholder.
Shareholder, your lord.
And in that case, who were there?
I think, my lord, they are also shareholders.
Ah.
I think, my lord. I'm not
They are
sure.
also shareholder, your lordship, I guess.
Think so.
This was moved last week. We remember Purva.
Some of our delegates-
Mr. Sharma was there.
It will.
Shareholder, my lord.
Can we have a copy of this?
Yes, your lordship.
Heard. 3A Manaf, learned counsel for the petitioners who are shareholders of Purva Samabai Samiti Limited and have raised allegations against the chairman of the society in holding the AGM on 12/9/2024.
12/9, yes. 24.
What were we doing for all this time?
My lord, a case
It is
was,
also submitted that an inquiry was done leading to passing of an order dated 7/2/2025
yes,
by the ARCS, by which
Mangal.
the AGM was not approved. The chairman had, however, preferred an appeal, and the appeal was allowed by
Then High Court,
revoking the order dated 7/2/2025.
then they came High Court before
The said order was also the subject matter of challenge in WPC 1587
my lord.
of 2025, and the matter has been remanded
was remanded to the registrar for a fresh consideration. Thereafter, by the impugned order dated 2/8/2025, the grievances of the petitioners have been rejected. Para, this court has however been informed by Ms. S.T. Vogt, the Learned Standing Council Cooperation Department, that similar challenge by a different set of shareholders is pending consideration in WPC 4919 of 2025, in which notice has been issued on 27/8/2025. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. S.T. Bog, the Learned Standing Council Cooperation Department, accepts notice on behalf of
125.
that's one number 125. Secretary Kurwa, 6 and 7 registered post with AD.
My lord.
Yes, your lordship.
6 and 7 registered post with AD. Upor extra copies. Aro heri. Yes, where is the chairman?
My lord, chairman, my lord, now, my lord, as per my information, after passing the impugned order by the registrar, my lord, he is, my lord, performing his duty. He is performing his duty, my
Where
lord.
is he in the area of parties?
My lord,
He wants want action against the chairman.
my lord, Kurwa GPS Samabhai Samiti represented by his chairman.
Oh, the committee.
My lord, this Samabhai Samiti represented by my lord chairman, my lord.
Respond number 7.
That is not how you make party. Your allegation is against the chairman.
Respondent number 7, my lord.
7 is not the chairman, Mr. Manaf. You are senior enough to understand this kind of.
My lord, I.
You made the Samiti a party represented by the chairman. We are not interested in the Samiti. Your allegation is against the chairman. He has to be made party by name. We are we are not required to advise you. Same thing in the earlier petition also, same mistake was made.
But I may be allowed to
Oh,
by hand, my lord.
extra copies. At this stage, one of the Learned Council prays for a liberty to file appropriate for impleadment of the of necessary parties. Liberty is granted. List along with WPC 4919 of 2025. Extra copies question, no? Okay. Or registered post question. Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
My lord, in item number 15, my lord, the father of the petitioner, my lord, was a landholder, my lord, of 2 kathas of land. Subsequently, my lord, the land was, my lord, patta was given, my lord, to his father. His father, my lord, died in the year 2009, my lord. My lord, the present petitioner is living by constructing house thereon, my lord, presently, my lord. Now, my lord, they have, my lord, applied for mutation. The mutation was not granted, my lord. Then, my lord, online application was filed. That has been rejected, my lord. In fact, my lord, Mondal and Kanongo, my lord, they have made a report, my lord. Everything is okay, my lord. Page, my lord, 21, my lord. Your lordship kindly see. Page 21, Annexure 5.
Yes, Mr. Das.
My lord, page 21, my lord, annexure 5, it says not satisfied with your application status.
Yes,
Is a
sir.
grievances or submit a new appeal. My lord, appeal will, or moreover, my lord, under one.
But they say that they have filed an appeal on 11/8/2025.
Appeal,
Appeal was also filed.
my lord, status of the appeal that
11/8 is not even how many days? 20 days. Today is 1st.
my lord, yes, my lord. No. Inviting notice was also most probably not completed office, service of notice.
My lord, only one thing, my lord, your lordship kindly consider. Annexure.
Mr. Das, you take in the information, you take instruction on the appeal.
Appeal, my lord,
What is the status?
annexure 6.
The ground level, my lord, officers, my lord, he is, my lord, forwarded report on possession, he is residing by constructing.
That is it. We'll see what are the reasons. We'll take care. Third, Sri Manaf, learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by the lack of action for mutation of the plot of land in question. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the father of the petitioner was the recorded pattadar of the plot of land, who however passed away in the year 2009. Full stop. The petitioners had submitted application for mutation, which was not granted, and the online application has also been rejected. Full stop. It has been submitted that the initial report by the authorities were in favor of such mutation being done. Para. It however transpires that the petitioners have preferred an appeal on 11/8/2025 before the District Commissioner Gwalpara, Pustapara. 3. And thus, Learned State Council is directed to obtain instructions
On annexation 6.
especially with regard to the status of the appeal said to have been filed on 11/8/2025. Para. List on Monday next to facilitate so and so extra copy. Give an extra copy during the course of the day. Huh? Yes, next.
Obligation.
70.
Yes, Mr. Adhyapak.
Having looked at against impugned judgment order dated 12/5/2025 in the passed by the revenue, Assam Board of Revenue Law.
Revenue board against that.
You are the appellant in the revenue board.
No, under respondent also.
The heard we S. N. Adhyapak, learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by an order dated 12/8/2025 passed by the learned Assam Board of Revenue in appeal number 29 RA within bracket K / 2017 put by the aforesaid order, the appeal referred by the present respondent number so and so against an order dated 29/3/2017 has been allowed. Para. Present respondent number 5. Huh? Why haven't you made the husband a party? Oh, he's passed away.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Issue rule. Returnable by 6 weeks. On the disaster management, yes, madam, revenue 1, PR Mahunta 1, and 3, some
Three
sort
and
of
four.
revenue will you take?
No, only 3, 4.
3 and 4 by Sri Anda State Council, 2 and 5 by registered post with AD.
Till then, Lakshmi can only suspend the person of the organs.
What kind of interim prayer do you expect? What do you expect after the allowing the appeal by the ABR?
But then, this respondent number 5 again mutated her name in the revenue record, let's say. By this.
So you are in possession, aren't you?
No, let's say they are already in possession.
Then what kind of interim order?
No, let's say.
Position আছে, নামনো আছে।
Numbers.
Like
No,
a-
let's say.
The interim order will be you have to make out a case that something is going to happen if you don't stay the order. What is going to happen?
So, during the, in the same one title, so this already pending in.
No, those are different. These
Yes.
are out of the The question is that if the interim order, if the impugned order is not stayed, what
But we've
prejudice is
already,
going to?
mutation of the respondent number 5 already cancelled, Lordship,
Yes,
by ADC. And against that order, they filed this revenue appeal, Lordship. Presently, her name is not in the
if
record.
it is also mutated, they will not be dispossessed. Who is in possession? They are in possession.
Yes, Lordship.
They are in, so how does it matter?
Anyway, it will be outcome of the title suit pending.
Issue notice on the interim prayer, returnable on the same date, huh?
Right.
You take steps immediately.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My Lordship, I have been terminated from my service, my Lordship. During my service, I had taken a loan from State Bank of India amounting to, my Lordship, 12,13,000. So only one EMI I could not pay due to termination of service, and then my bank account has been.
What are you challenging?
My Lordship.
What
I
is
have
what is
filed a-
your challenge?
Yes.
What is your challenge before us?
My Lordship, my only prayer in this petition that I have submitted a representation by requesting them to restructure the EMI, and they have not taken any decision on that.
Restructure EMI.
It's because I have lost my-
Far-fetched. How do you expect a RITCO to interfere with affairs of this nature? It's a commercial transaction between me and the bank.
My Lordship.
How do you give a direction for restructuring of the EMI?
My Lordship, at least.
Which bank?
SBI, my Lordship. National.
SBI has got a panel counsel who appears.
At least, my Lordship, notice may be issued, my Lordship. That's because
But
I
not-
lost my job, my Lordship.
That's a different context. You can challenge your direction. Heard 3 SB Lasco learned counsel for the petitioner who has made a prayer for restructuring the EMI for the loan which he availed from the respondent bank. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner who was serving as what?
Dental hygienist.
As a dental hygienist in the Indian Army has also been terminated from service with effect from 6/9/2023, leading to difficulties for repayment as per the schedule. Para, let notice be issued.
A provident fund has been
Returnable
credited, my
by can you submit Dusty?
Yes, my Lordship.
Returnable by 4 weeks, returnable on, we give you a date. Where's the? Returnable on 22nd, of September. So, let's have we taken registered posterity additionally, Dusty routed next date, the notice, affidavit before next date. Okay. You have to file an affidavit before the next date.
Yes,
regarding
yes,
proof.
ma'am. Highly obliged, my Lordship.
And there are certain counsels who appear for SBI. You can contact them. They can also appear. Mr. KK Nandi, I think. SBI, no? He does it, KK Nandi. Yes, next.
Highly obliged.
Take please, Your Lordship.
Mr. Dotto, what
My
is
Lord.
this?
Lordship, I will look at page 17, my Lord.
17.
This is a notice, my Lord, issued by the respondent number 3, my Lord, ARC, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, Lordship, you see, my Lord, the election will be held, my Lord, on 30/12/2024.
Your nomination has been withdrawn by somebody.
Yes, my Lord. And thereafter, my Lord, I have filed, my Lord, representation before the, my Lord, ARC as well as the register of
Why don't
cooperative.
you lodge an FIR, Ejahar?
Well, I have filed that, but that I have not annexed, my Lord. Now, my Lord, if the Lordship turns to page 37, my Lord, the last page, my Lord, Annexion 9, my Lord.
Yes.
May I read, my Lord? With reference to the letter of the subject cited above, I am directed to state that the society is failed to conduct the first BOD meeting as per section 36(1) of the Cooperative Societies Act. even after 7 months of the completion of the election AGM, which is also against section 41(2) of the said act. Therefore, you are requested to take necessary steps to ensure for holding the first BOD meeting to elect its chairman, vice chairman amongst the elected members, madam. That meeting is not yet held, madam.
But you are not there.
I am not there. My only prayer, my lord, limited prayer is, my lord, page 35, my lord, 34, my representation before the Register of Cooperative Society, my lord. That may be disposed of, my lord, within a time frame, my lord. Page 34.
Madam, you take instructions in
Yes,
a
Lord.
short notice.
Lord.
Heard Sri N.J. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. As per the facts projected, the petitioner had filed his nomination for election as member of the Board of Directors of the Borongabari Samobai Samiti Limited in the district of Morigaon, and as a condition thereof, had also deposited security of rupees 5,000. Full stop. It is, however, the case of the petitioner that he later on came to know that some unknown persons had withdrawn his nomination and had also misappropriated the security deposit. The petitioner claims to have submitted representation before the authorities which have not been considered. That notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Cooperation, yes, madam, for 1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, your lordship.
3, 4. Secretary,
By my lord, Dusty.
secretary registered post AD, Dusty Litin. Then we'll give a date. It will be on the return on the reopening day, 13th. Is it
Fine.
okay?
Fine.
Then make it 4 weeks, huh? 4 weeks ही बोला था क्या 5 weeks? 4 weeks. We will make it returnable on 13th, 4 weeks monthly. Before the next date, affidavit.
Extra copies may be submitted.
Make it 15th. You might need to file an affidavit of justice. Till 12th will be holidays. 15th.
Extra copies may be submitted.
Madam, then only that line, madam, pendency of this.
Pendency of this writ petition shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the representation
I am obliged, madam.
Obliged.
by the registrar
By the registrar.
of Cooperative Society in Samst. Yes, Steve walk.
That did your lordship. Lordship, in this case, my lord, petitioner, she applied for a NRC, my lord, for inclusion her name, but my lord, all the family members' name are included, but petitioner name is not included, my lord. Reason is not communicated to her, my lord.
Yes. Matter of this bench. Inclusion in NRC.
My lord,
Heard Miss Al Wazid, the learned counsel for the petitioner, whose grievance is non-inclusion of her name in the NRC. Full stop. It is submitted that the names of all the other family members have been included in the NRC, excluding the has been included in the NRC. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Union of India. Union of India, anyone? Yes, madam. Miss M. Das, learned counsel, appearing on instruction of the SK Committee CGC for 1. State Coordinator, National Register of
Standing council is there.
NRC Standing Council is there. Who's the Standing Council? Name shown, madam.
Yes, the NRC has been shown by.
Who's the NRC? A. Verma.
my lord.
Is she there? If she's not there in the report, we cannot record the name. Huh? I see. A. Verma. Hold on. Yes. Why she's not there? If names are shown. C. Verma for standing counsel NRC for 2. Home Department, Mr. Sharma, you'll be appearing?
Lordship for 3 and 4.
3 and 4, each Sharma standing, addition sitting for 3 and 4. Extra copies.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
23.
Yeah. 23.
Right, my lord, first come to page 37, the annexure of the notification issued by the Minister of Road Transport and Highways, my lord, wherein it is shown, my lord, 55 tons is the maximum VW, my lord, gross vehicle weight. Whereas, my lord, the vehicle are passing through the ICB Gologons, my lord, come to page 54, my lord. 55 ton is the maximum load, my lord. And here, my lord, page 54, 65 ton, 500 kgs.
Page?
Page 54, my lord.
54.
Yes, my lord. Overloaded vehicle were exported through the ICB Gologons, my lord. Overloaded. My lord, gross weight 65,500 kgs. Whereas notification provided, my lord, maximum 55 ton, my lord. And my lord, one more thing, my lord, come to page 50. And vernacular, my lord, page 51. ইয়াৰে সকলো এক্সপোৰ্টাৰ আৰু গাড়ীৰ মালিকক জনোৱা যায় যে বাংলাদেশৰ বিশেষ পৰিস্থিতিৰ বাবে আজি অভাৰলোড গাড়ী যাব পৰা নাই। কিন্তু আজি কাস্টমছ আৰু BSF আৰু বাংলাৰ আলোচনা অহাকালি ৰাতিপুৱা 6 বজাৰ পৰা 11 বজাৰ ভিতৰত অভাৰলোড গাড়ী বাংলাদেশলৈ পঠিওৱাৰ কাম শেষ কৰে। And my lord, the petitioner submitted so many representation, my lord, before the respondent authority.
Where is the direction in Paramjit Bhasin?
My lord.
Where is the direction?
My lord, I have annexed the letter, my lord.
Page?
Page 25 onwards, my lord. Type copy page 24, my lord. Regarding the need and urgency of controlling overloading from the time to time, this matter has been considered by Honorable Supreme Court in the case of.
Why haven't you raised this issue by means of a PIL?
Because, my lord, we are the local resident of ICP Gologons, my lord. And due to.
Okay, madam, you take instructions.
Lordship, first of all, ICP Gologons is not under the Transport Department, it's under the Custom Department. Secondly, the representation filed by the petitioner, Lordship, may kindly have a look, page 43 for a moment. Annexure 14. Page 43, my lord. Lordship has got in, my lord. Yes, may I read, my lord? To the Commissioner of Customs, Offences for the Superintendent.
Then let them take a call. Transport may not have a role.
Yes, we don't have a role, Lordship. But who are the petitioner here, Lordship? That is their contention made before the Commissioner Custom in the letter. Lordship, may kindly have a look the nature of the cases, my lord.
May I representation, may
I submit?
Which page? Which page?
43, page 43.
Yes.
To the Commissioner of Customs, Offences for the prayer for stop illegal syndicate mafia in the Sonarhar International Trade Center. Respected sir, we are writing to bring your attention to a critical matter that demands immediate intervention. It has come to our notice that illegal syndicate mafias operating at Sonarhar International Trade Center, Gologons mafias are engaging in tax evasion practices. Furthermore, these groups are reportedly extorting a sum of 10,500 from each truck transporting boulders. We have information through local people that the syndicate has been led by 5 members from the long time. They are also connected with the cattle smuggling. And there are some persons' name are given here, 5%. This illicit activity not only poses a severe threat to the integrity of our trade center, but also undermine the government effort to ensure fair taxation and regulatory compliance. We urgently request your office to conduct a thorough investigation into this allegation and take swift action to curb these illegal practices. This is the representation filed by the authorities, my lord.
Page 44
What the
is the
petitioner over here, my lord.
Page
They
44
could have
is the
filed an
main
PIL.
representation, my lord.
They could have filed an PIL.
Well, what is your prayer here, Mr.? Let's see your prayer.
Yes, prayer is lordship at page
Page 21.
21 onwards, my lord.
21.
Page 21.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Page 21.
21 onwards, 21 and 22.
So, directing this to overloaded
Yeah.
vehicles.
Yes.
Okay, we'll issue notice at this stage. Three. I'm Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioners. First of the grievance of the petitioner is with regard to flying of overloaded vehicles in the area where the petitioners are inhabitants. First of, the petitioners have raised various has drawn the attention of this court to various provisions of law, including notifications issued by the appropriate authorities in terms of certain directions of the Honorable Supreme Court, debarring overloaded vehicles from use of the roads. Miss MD Bora, the Standing Council Transport has however submitted that the impugned decision is not connected with her department
Yes, it's under the custom department.
and is under the customs
Yes,
department.
integrated check post Golokganj is under custom department.
That notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Union of India Ministry of Road Transport and thus representing on instruction of SKMD for CGST for 1. State of Assam, H. Sharma, edition Srinagar to 1. 2. Madam for 3.
I am for
Seven.
3 and 4.
3 and 4, MD Bora, Standing Council. Then 5, integrated, super integrated check post, Golakganj, Dhubri.
Myself is 12.
Now, what about 5?
5 lordship. The custom department may take the notice. Custom.
Is there anyone for customs department? Mr.
Yes.
Kyle,
Yes, Kyle.
Mr. Kyle, Mr. Jain, K. Jain. Will Mr. K. Jain, is he there?
The name before go ahead, option.
Does it fall under customs?
Yes, madam.
K. Jain, huh? Appear an instruction for SC Cal for 6 and 6.
My default.
6, 8, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. And if for 7 and 12 also is Sharma, na? Then the Sharma will be for 2,
2, 7 and 12.
2, 7 and 12. Okay, sir. Extra copies.
SC custom may be reflected in the cause list. Their name is not reflected.
Let Mr. Jain be here for a moment. We'll let SC custom be reflected in the cause list. But if he refuses, I don't think he'll refuse. Okay. SC custom.
My on prayer, my lord, in the cause list, my lord, Shishir Dotto name is shown, my lord, instead of Surujit Dotto, my lord. That may be direction.
You have make an application before the registry.
Obliged lordship.
May I please have it? So this case is similar to the item number 6 of this today's list, my lord.
What was
Petitioner-
6?
My lord, the petitioner filed a representation before district commissioner, my lord, against respondent number 7 and 8, my lord. And under the provision.
Anti-defection.
Yes.
Anti-defection.
Yes, inaction, my lord, inaction on the part of.
Huh?
Is challenging child marriage, my lord.
Under section 111.
So 6 is different.
Different.
6 is for anti-defection. 6 is
He
not.
also, inaction on the part of the respondent number 3, my lord.
You are a voter.
Yes, my lord.
What is your legal, what is the prejudice you are suffering? You are not a candidate even. Third. Your number? What is your name?
Anjaman.
Third, Sri Anjaman, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the election of the respondent number
7 and 8.
7,
And 8.
8 and 8 as members of the which Gaon Panchayat? Kolgosia
45 number Sonapur Rubhi Gaon Panchayat.
of the where have you stated?
Page number 11, my lord.
In the pleadings, where have you stated in the pleadings? Which Gaon Panchayat?
Pleadings, my lord.
There is no mention about the word. You are a voter of which word?
My lord,
There-
Panchayat is 45 number Sonapur Rubhi
Which
Gaon.
word? You are a voter of which word? They have been elected from which word?
Ward number, my lord.
First, you are not a candidate.
No.
Your rights have become very limited in making a challenge of this nature. And you have not even stated which word.
Ward number 1 and ward number 10.
You are from which both the words.
No, no, my lord.
Then
I am the voter of the Gaon
which
Panchayat.
word?
My lord, another ward, ward number.
How are you connected? You are approaching a court of equity. Aren't you required to come bona fide? Whose instance are you coming? Ask him to come, not at your instance. Heard Sri Anjaman learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge the election of the respondent numbers 7 and 8 as ward members of the 45 number Sonapur Rubhi Gaon Panchayat under the Palgochia Anchalik Panchayat in the district of Borpeta. Full stop. Also heard Sri S. Datta learned standing counsel, PNRD, and Sri H. Sharma learned state counsel. Sri H. Sharma naam pehle likhe. H. Sharma learned additional senior and Sri S. Datta. Both the learned counsel for the respondents have, however, questioned the locus of the petitioner, full stop, on a specific query, comma. It has been replied by the learned counsel for the petitioner that apart from the petitioner being a voter, comma, he belongs to a different ward, whereas the respondent numbers 7 and 8 have been elected from different wards. Though the allegation is a violation of certain statute regarding child marriage, comma, this court is of the opinion that unless such grievance is raised by an appropriate person, comma, this court will decline to interfere. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed.
Liberty.
We are not giving you liberty. Let somebody else come. That for that liberty is not required. Next.
45, please.
Yes.
No, this matter relates to my relation of provision from dues. Before I take your lordship.
Yes.
We have applied for a TPF lawsuit, but our name is not shown here. Look for this. So kindly.
Are you aware of this matter or not? Name shown is a different formal thing.
No.
Are you aware of this matter or not?
Today we know.
We'll have it tomorrow or day after.
Yes, yes, yes. Witness lawsuit.
If it's not very urgent, we can have day after tomorrow. Let him come
Only
prepared.
4 years, my lord, they can go for attachment of the my lord.
No, he'll not go for it. It's day after tomorrow. Okay, I heard Sri M.K. Chaudhary, then senior counsel assisted by Sri K. Kulita for the petitioner. Your name?
K Kakoti.
Sri K. Kakoti Leonard Counsel has submitted that he would be appearing on behalf of the whom?
All the respondent.
Huh?
All the respondent.
Not all the response. State you are not appearing.
Or one lordship.
Respondent number for the Assam Key Employees Provident Fund Organization. And since the name of you are standing counsel
No, I'm if you have George Bora.
and the name of the council has is not appearing in the cause list. Full stop para. Considering the above, let this matter be listed for motion on Wednesday.
One observation, my lord. Till Monday, they should not.
Wednesday, day after tomorrow.
My lord, they are bent upon my lord.
Day after tomorrow. Don't take any action. I advise your client. And come prepared on Wednesday, even if your names are not shown. You have filed wakalatnama or what? Or is he as the standing counsel? Your colleague is the standing counsel?
Yes.
SC, so and so be reflected in the cause list. AG. Huh?
Yeah, we served on my lord Arnold Das, and thereafter my lord the Arnold Das department has entrusted them. My lord, that is what my instruction.
Okay, they'll appear. You are aware of this matter now?
Yeah.
Wednesday you appear.
Yes.
Okay.
Obligation.
Are you have you been served with a copy?
Yes, I have copy.
46, yes, Mr. Pastor.
My lordship, impugn order notice is on page 16, my lord.
What is it?
My lordship, this notice has been issued under clause 15(1) of the land policy 2019, my lordship. So, my lordship, can kindly see the clause 15(1), my lordship. May I read clause 15(1), my lordship?
Can land be given to a person belonging to a different religion?
My lordship.
There is a bar in the statute.
My lordship, in this context, my lordship, I have annexed one document which is of a registered deed of 1935.
What deed?
Deed of 1935.
Deed of what kind of deed is this?
My lordship, it's a perpetual lease.
So can the lease be given?
My lordship. That is a different aspect, my lord.
No, not different aspect. There's a bar in the statute.
We are peasants, my lord, landless peasants.
There is a bar in the statute. Which is the statute connected?
My lord. I am referring to the land policy of 2019, my lordship. In that land policy, my lordship.
Which page?
My lordship. Clause 15, my lordship.
One
page
side.
Yes, my lordship. Page 20, my lordship.
Page 20.
Yes.
Page 20. Where is the land
20,
policy?
Page 15.1, my lordship.
Page.
Oh, my lordship. In this, I have not annexed. It is different. It's a book, my lordship. Land policy.
Land policy, which book?
Land policy of 2019, my lord.
Is it there in this big book? Is it there? No. Land policy is in
Lordship, may.
What is there?
Encroachment can be removed, lordship. My lord. Clause 15(1).
Yes. Now, what about the settlement part?
My lord.
Sebayat land, can it be given to person
My lord.
for of a different religion?
It's 100 years ago, my lordship. We are landless peasants of the.
No.
And
It's not like that.
my lord.
It's not like that.
My lordship.
You do some research.
My lordship.
Do some research. You'll find some materials.
Radha Madhav Vigraha, my lordship. If they have objection, my lordship, if they send us any notice, my lordship, the revenue receipt has been also already paid. Revenue receipt, my lordship, can be seen.
Mr. Baba.
Revenue receipt.
Sharma, there is one matter which we have dealt pertaining to one hotro in near Nagaon, Borpeta Nagaon. We have dealt with this. What was the name of the hotro? Huh? Pure, yes, Pure Hotro. Yes, bring the judgment. Go through the
Yes,
judgment.
my lord.
There are materials.
Yes, my lord.
Then you come up with your arguments,
Yes.
okay? Can we have it on Friday?
Yes.
No. Considering the subject matter involved. Sri L.P. Laskar Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Prays for a little accommodation to look into the matter. To examine the subject matter involved. List on Friday for motion.
My lordship, if possible, my lordship, coercive measure, because we are landless, my lordship only.
On Friday, or we can have it on Wednesday also. This case has been identified. Pirola, I don't know the name. Yes, the day after tomorrow.
Yes.
Wednesday? Wednesday. Okay.
Highly obliged.
Give an extra copy.
Yes, my lord.
Wait.
25 IA.
I am, my lord.
IA for
Impleadment.
impleadment.
Yes, my lord. The earlier order was on 13/6.
You have filed the additional affidavit.
Yeah, my lord. We have filed
Where is it?
at page, my lord. Earlier order is dated, my lord, 13/6/25. That is directed us to give a registered post to the new incumbent. And we have given that. There is a office note also. Office note indicates that we have performed a registered post to the new incumbent on 17/6/25. But
Where have you stated?
at page, you will also will go to page 5, page 10, para 5.
Page 10,
Para 5 of the impleading petition.
page 10, para 5.
Yes, my lord. It may indicate that recently the petitioner come to know that Rasul number 3, namely so and so,
No, we have passed an order
my lord,
requiring you to inform this new incumbent.
my lord,
Where have you informed?
that your lordship will find.
You have to inform and file an additional affidavit. Contempt matter, impleadment is not by right. You have to first inform him, give him a chance to comply. That is the reason we had passed an order on 16/7/2025.
My lord.
You have not been taken, where have you filed, is there any additional affidavit that you have informed him?
But the records are there, my lord. I will file if necessary, my lord, tomorrow.
No. Impleadment in any other proceeding is different. Impleadment in a contempt proceeding will require you to inform the new incumbent that this is the order, kindly comply with. He may not be aware.
My lord.
How do you issue notice unless there is deliberate disobedience?
That office note, my lord, and the.
Office note will not go by office note. We have not issued
Anyway, my
notice
lord, I
yet.
will file the affidavit then.
This matter could have proceeded by this time. 16/7 we have asked you. And how can the office give a note? We had not issued notice here. We had asked you to take steps by issuing notice on your own, either by yourself or by your counsel.
That documents saying that we have already taken state has been.
Step, you take steps on the basis of what? We have not issued notice.
My lord.
We have asked you to inform. You issue a notice on your own, annex the AD card or the receipt, file an additional affidavit. We'll assume that he has been served.
Well,
Then we issue notice to him. This application has been filed for impleadment of the new incumbent holding the post of the Director of Health Services. Full stop. When this matter had come up for consideration on 16/7/2025, this court had noticed that the new incumbent was not served, was not informed of the order, which is the subject matter in question, which required compliance. Full stop. Accordingly, the petitioner was directed to serve a notice along with the copy of the order in question, so as to give him an opportunity of compliance. The said aspect was directed to be brought on record by way of an affidavit, full stop. It however appears that no such affidavit has been filed indicating that the incumbent has been informed about the order which requires compliance. Para? Sri Buragohai, the London Senate Council, prays for and is granted further 4 weeks time to do the needful in terms of the order dated.
1 week will do one. 1 week's time I will need. We didn't know.
No, 1 week, how do you ascertain the notice has been served? If you can serve by hand and get an endorsement, you can. You can give you 2 weeks time also. But if you do not serve by hand, send by registered post, at least
Let us give the 2 week time.
2 weeks. But you have to file an affidavit,
My own time.
2 weeks. Yes,
My lord, we have filed an affidavit today. We have served the copy, however.
when did you file?
My lord, today itself.
You filed on behalf of EPFO,
APF on response.
served or not?
My lord, I have just received it at 11 a.m. today.
Can we have one day after tomorrow?
My lord, I'll be needing to file this affidavit in reply to this affidavit in opposition, my lord.
Your lordship, I
In
am
the
also the
meantime, my lord,
affected
I'll-
party. I am also the affected party, so a copy may be served to me also.
My lord, I'll serve a copy too.
In the meantime, my lord, I will provide a indemnity bond, my lord. In regard to this, my lord. My bank account.
No, we want to have a look at the affidavit. That is not tagged with us. We can have this considered on Wednesday.
My lord,
In the meantime, we'll grant you time to file. Since you're paying for an interim protection, we want to know their stand.
my lord, actually, for some personal reason, I won't be available from 3rd to 15th, my lord.
But he is pressing his matter.
My
We
lord,
need to
for
have
health,
some.
medical issues, my lord, I have to, I have already.
My lord, I place indemnity bond for their safety, my
Have you
lord.
taken instruction on this aspect that he'll be?
Yes, my lord, they have
Furnishing
already
any-
filed an affidavit and they have stated before this honorable court that they have not received any information.
No,
But-
no, on this, not on the merits, on furnishing of an indemnity bond.
My lord,
Are you
it is a
agreeable to the
beneficial institution.
proposition?
No, my lord, we have strong oppositions on it. We have objection, my lord.
Then we'd like to see his affidavit. That's not on record. We can have it tomorrow also.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow,
My lord, I'll be needing time to file affidavit in reply to this opposition.
then you cannot help.
May the date be fixed on 15th, my lord, if possible.
15th, you file your rejoinder by them. And give a copy
I
to
will
your
also file
colleague.
a
Okay.
affidavit.
You are Nandi, D Nandi.
D. Nandi, my lord.
Sri D Nandi Learned Council. Appearing for the Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner, Tilcher,
455.
has submitted that affidavit in opposition has been filed today,
455.
which however is not tagged with the records. Sri Your Rathi?
My lord.
Sri D Rathi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that a rejoinder affidavit would be filed by the petitioner. Full stop. Sri Parvez, Learned Counsel
Respondent number 3.
for the respondent bank, has submitted that his client is also affected by the present action. Full stop. Let a copy of the affidavit in opposition be served upon Sri Parvez during the course of the day. On request list on 15.
My lord, in this matter, since it's a bulky affidavit in opposition, I may be granted 3 weeks time, my lord. I'll file affidavit in reply, and the liberty may also be granted, my lord, to implead the previous employer as well, my lord, in this matter. I'll file an IA for impleadment if your lordship may grant me liberty.
15, then tell us a date. Urgency is yours.
My lord. My lord, may keep it after 2 weeks, my lord. It will.
The date
So
may be
15th we have
three
said.
weeks. 2 weeks, after
2
3
weeks,
weeks, my lord.
Huh?
If 3 weeks
So
time.
give a date. List on today's first
18th September, my lord.
on 19th of September.
19th September.
Sri Rathi prays for and is granted liberty to file appropriate IA for impleadment.
Much obliged.
Okay. Next. Mata.
Yeah, please.
Yes, what is
The
this?
petitioner hearing is a lawful partner and possessor of a plot of land of 21 bighas in Karbi Angalan district, Your Lordship. Now, Lordship, the petitioner has been in the peaceful possession of the said land in the name of Alok Greek Bhatta since 2011. And due to the construction of the 4-lane, the petitioner had to shut down the said Bhatta in the year 2018 for several years, but has been regularly paying the land revenue. Now, out of the 21 bighas of land, the petitioner received a compensation for the National Highway Authority in his name for taking away 5 bighas of land out of the 21 bighas. And what remains is the 16 bighas. Now, thereafter, Your Lordship, the rest part of the 16 bighas of land which was in his possession, he was constructing the boundary wall and also the shops in his land. And some miscreants has damaged the entire shops and the fencing has been damaged. And the same has been complained to the Deputy Commissioner in this respect, and the page 30 and 31 of the representation complaint that has been made. And thereafter, Your Lordship, what had happened, there was a notice has been hung in the wall in his absence. And the demarcation notice was being hung and he was out of station and the entire land was being demarcated. What remained with the petitioner now is only 5 bighas of land. And the entire plot has been taken by the other miscreants with the help of the respondent authorities. The representation has been given to all of them. Page 30.
When was this done?
It was done, Your Lordship, on 26, 6 January.
6 January. What were we doing on this?
24/6/2025.
24/6.
24/6/2025. And within the 12 hours, the demarcation took place. The notice was also hung on 24/6/2025.
Yes, Mr.
Let's look into, my lord, page 43, my lord.
43.
My lord,
Yes,
annex
please.
of 15, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship will look into the DAG number, my lord. Schedule of the land, survey DAG number 142 and 168.
Yes.
And Lordship will look into the, my lord, potta issued by the petitioner, my lord, annexed by the petitioner, which is at page 17.
Yes.
Next page is, my lord, page 18, DAG number is different, my lord.
Page 18.
Page 18, my lord.
Yes.
Page
Yes.
19 is the relevant.
106, 26, 110, 27. And what is his statement in the petition also, my lord? Lordship will look
Where do you get the DAG number here?
My lord, DAG number, my lord, first column. In the
DAG
top
number,
18, schedule, DAG
106?
number 106, 26, 110/27.
Yes. How?
And
Yes.
the DAG number which is demarcation, my lord, that is 142 and 168.
Okay.
What is
Then
demarcated?
another, my lord, here the next, my lord, petitioner annex, my lord, which is at, my lord, page 20, my lord. That is
20.
also different DAG number.
16.
16.
What is your response?
And para 2, Lordship will look into the para 2 also of the repetition. DAG number 16, my lord. And there is no demarcation in DAG number 16, my lord. And demarcation is only in respect of, my lord, another DAG, my lord. 142
Yes.
and
How do you respond to this?
The Lordship will find the page 15 and 16 is the holding certificate and the Jamabandi of this particular land that he is holding now.
Yes.
And out of the depth land, this has been prevailing there in Your Lordship. I have annexed the photographs there in my land.
That is okay, but how do you respond to this? This DAG numbers appears to be different plots.
And petitioner, that 15 also, DAG number 16.
Okay, we'll issue notice.
Only notice.
What is your name?
Yes, Ahmed, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Till that date, the execution of the demarcation notice may be.
It pertains to different plots of land. How
No,
do
Lordship, this is the same plot of land that is happening.
No,
now.
where have you stated? You have stated that your DAG is 16.
Yes,
The
sir.
demarcation is in 142 and 168. You have to make some pleadings. You stated you have to state something.
Yes, sir. That part I will share with Your Lordship. Your Lordship may fix it on.
We issue notice in the meantime. If you want for interim order, you can file an application. We'll give you liberty.
Yes.
Heard swiftly. As Ahmed Learned Counsel for the petitioner. It is the case of the petitioner that out of 21 bighas of land which the petitioner was possessing, 5 bighas have been acquired for the national highway. And in the remaining 16 bigha, the petitioner was making construction of boundary wall, correct?
Yes.
However, in the absence of the petitioner, on 24/6/2025, some demarcation exercise have been done, whereby the plot of land has been reduced to 5 bighas. Para. Sri J. Chutia, the learned standing council, KAAC, has however submitted that it appears that the land which the petitioner is claiming is covered by doc number 16.
Yes.
16, whereas the demarcation is carried out over a plot of land covered by doc numbers 142 and 168. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. 3. Revenue Department. G. Hazarika 1 and J. Chutia for
3, 4, 5 and 6.
or 2 Hill District, Hill Area Development and the State Council.
247.
247. And 356 is J. Chutia. Extra copies. Para. 3 Hussein. 3 Ahmed, the learned council prays for and is granted liberty to file appropriate I for interim orders.
Obliged.
In this case, my lord, my lord, I have to submit a report, my lord, regarding the project affected families and all this, my lord, and regarding my quantum, my lord. We have filed affidavit.
But affidavit has been filed, he has filed reply also.
Project, my lord, a report is required to be filed, my
That was
lord.
incomplete, lordship.
That was incomplete.
Okay.
So another 3 weeks time may be granted, my lord.
This is item number
26.
You are what, Qatar? AI Qatar?
Yeah, third lordship.
Heard 3 AI Qatar learned counsel for the petitioners. Para. 3 also heard 3 Dean of learned Senior Advocate Assam,
Four,
as well as 3 J. Chutia learned standing counsel KAAC. Para. 3 Chutia the learned standing counsel prays for and is granted further 3 weeks time to
File a report.
file a report on the subject matter involved.
Lordship, a date may be given, lordship. It's pending for a long time.
Okay, list on. How soon can you file, Mr. Chutia?
Well, October, the 15th October, after vacation.
15th October, is it okay?
Lordship.
On 15th of October. Mr. Goswami, you are sitting since long, which matter?
Well, it is 17th.
No,
my
no,
lord.
no.
Let it be
It's the
17th, my lord, not 15th. 17th. 17th. 7th.
33. Okay. We should be reaching in first half. Let us see. Okay. Just wait for a while. My lord,
Here, respondent number 1 and 7 filed affidavit, my lord. I am taking huge time to reply.
Okay. You are for 7. And 1 is the state revenue. The revenue department represented by Ms. G. Hazarika and Sri
LR Majumdar.
LR Majumdar, learned counsel for respondent number 7, have filed affidavits in opposition. Para. 3, this is item number 3. M.R. Khandokar, learned counsel for the petitioners, prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit.
Obliged.
29.
Made.
In
Yes.
this case, my lord, the affidavit pleadings have been exchanged already, my lord. And ready for, otherwise this urgency is there on our part, my lord.
We'll have for admission hearing?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Please, your lordship, with due respect, I request to adjourn the matter.
No, not today. We'll have the admission hearing immediately after the reopening. Okay? Pleadings are complete and urgency has been expressed by Sri B. Purkayastha, learned counsel for the petitioners. Para. In view of the above, place for admission hearing on immediately after the autumn vacation.
On 23rd, my lord. 23rd.
Of what?
A Thursday, October, my lord.
We can have it in the under reopening week on 16th of October. Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
16th of October.
Obliged.
25th is not Thursday. 25th is
24th.
Saturday.
I have 23rd, I said. No problem, my lord. So 16th is okay.
16th.
Obliged.
My lord.
You know, the counsel from the cooperative department is supposed to place certain instruction, my lord.
Which department?
Cooperative, my lord.
SC Talukdar.
SC Talukdar, my lord.
Cooperation department.
Cooperation department.
Yes, cooperation.
Lordship, my senior is currently engaged in division.
Who is the
bench.
senior?
Division
Talukdar.
bench.
Talukdar.
Kindly pass over the matter for time being.
What kind of instruction was he supposed to
Yes,
bring?
Lord.
Yes, that whether there is a board or not. Because
Lordship,
after by
Lordship, that order you also will find that, my lord. On 19th August order.
because there is an order not by your lordship.
You are agreed by 14/6/2024
Yes.
by the Zonal Joint Registrar.
Yes.
Yes, yes. That query was there that whether after 22/8.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar.
I have received some instruction, I'll place it.
In fact, this is the only copy of the. I have to take a photo of the
reference to the above and on
Same
the
lord.
copy of the letter of the RSU. That's it, number 3. During the aforesaid period. You say that there was violation of 31, section 31.
This is what, my lord, the letter says.
What is 31?
31 relates to the tenure of the board, my lord.
Yes.
It's 5 years, my lord.
Yes.
And beyond 5 years, my lord, perhaps the board cannot continue, my lord. This is what is indicated in the letter of the, my lord, ARCS. And there is a letter of the journal.
This is not
Joint
very,
register also, my lord.
yeah, this is not very clear.
My lord, if I take your lordships to the first letter, 29 August.
Yes.
This is from the journal register to the register. With reference to the above and enclosing here with a copy of the letter of the ARCS Silchar referred at 3 above regarding the management position of Digoli CS Limited from 15/9/21 to 28/8/22. I have the honor to inform you that it has been informed that the earlier BOD of Digoli CS Limited managed the functions of the society during the aforesaid period without following the provisions of section 31 of the Act.
Correct.
But so far as the records of this office are concerned, the office of the ARCS Silchar did not send any proposal to this end for appointment of officer in the society under section 41(6) of the Act when the society failed to elect a new BOD in the AGM of the society held on 28/8/21. Instead, the proceedings of that AGM were in fact approved by the office of the ARCS on 14/9/21, leaving no scope for appointment of officer in the society. Again, records further reveal that the office of the ARCS Silchar also approved the proceedings of the next AGM of the society held on 28/8/22, allowing the earlier board to continue in office for the next 5 years.
Next 5 years.
Yes.
This 5 years is going to, is up to 27,
Yes. ma'am.
2027.
Yes. Now, essentially what he says that when the term of the board had come to an end, in terms of 31, a proposal ought to have been, my lord, referred to the zonal for invoking 41/6. That was not done. And my lord, by omitting to do or by on the count of the default, the board continued beyond the 5 years. This is what, my lord, I understand from the letter. And subsequently, beyond the term, they, my lord, held the AGM, and perhaps the same board, my lord, had again come to
The
office.
contention of the petitioner is that 1/1/2024 was not the subject matter of challenge.
My lord.
So the question of withdrawing 1/1/24 would not come. That is your contention.
Yes, ma'am. No appeal was filed, my lord. Again,
See, the background facts, which we recollect. 16/9/2016,
yes,
the AGM was held, correct?
My lord.
And the regular BOD constituted 5 years term.
yes.
The term expired on 15/9/2021.
21.
On 13/8/2022, notice was issued by the secretary to hold the AGM on 28/8/2022.
Yes.
And in the meantime, you can refer to 41/6, which envisages one-man committee. And they say that 41/6 was violated. That is the submission. And committee was constituted by resolution of 8, which is on 28/8/2022, which is not challenged. And 1/1/2024, the order of the joint registrar.
Dissolving the committee.
Yes.
My lord, in this regard, if your lordship allows me, 41(2), my lord, is relevant. 41(2) says that.
Okay, we'll continue at 2 o'clock.
My lord.
2 o'clock will continue.
My lord. My lord, I have a division bench matter which is fixed at 2. After some time, I'll get back to your lordship, my lord. Not
Okay,
exactly
then,
at 2, my lord.
We can have it some, maybe day after tomorrow.
My lord, my lord.
Yeah, day
Correct.
after.
Or tomorrow.
Yeah, day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Day after tomorrow.
Okay. 3. SK Taluk, the Understanding Council Corporation Department has submitted that certain instructions have been received. Full stop. He prays for little accommodation.
Pursuant to lordship direction.
Yes,
Yes.
he prays for little accommodation list on Wednesday.
My lord.
Wednesday. Interim order first earlier.
Is there any interim order?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of interim order? Yes, interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
We'll take it about 2 o'clock, Mr. Goswami.
Lordship, in one of the cases I am appearing, in the cases when where Lordship was pleased to pass an order regarding the 3,000 bigha allotment.
Yes.
In that case, I would like
You're
to.
for the state.
I am for the state, 467. And we have, after Lordship's order, which reached the government and government decided to constituted a 3 members committee, and that committee has investigated the whole thing and prepared a report. The report is with me. So
I wanted to have a look at the records of the council.
No, that Lordship will do. That I am not on.
Have you got the report, records?
Yeah.
Place the records before us.
So we'd like to file an affidavit. A short date, maybe 1 day
But
time.
that report is by you. We did not direct any report by the government.
No, I fully understand. But the thing is that that statement is creating uproar.
No, that is your.
That is there. Therefore, we have to
Mr.
clarify
AG,
to before
that
this
is-
honorable.
That is your prerogative.
No, that is our prerogative. That is, we have a
somebody
prerogative to
giving-
apprise this honorable court whether 3,000 bigha was justified or not justified.
Somebody giving a color to this kind of an order. We are not on that.
Yes,
We don't like.
because the election is coming, everybody is taking
We
political
are not the
advantage for
order
the
of
government.
Court was perturbed by allotment of 3,000 because in 6th schedule. We just wanted to see the record.
Yes, but the
How
simple
the
thing-
policy was taking.
That actually the correct facts were not placed. Therefore, a independent inquiry was constituted.
That is your prerogative.
Yes.
We cannot
If
restrain you
possible-
from having an inquiry done.
No, we have done
We
it.
did not,
We
we did
have
not direct any inquiry.
I know, we know that. So whether we'll be allowed to file an affidavit
It's
to.
your, how
So
you are part in
that's
the
why I'm
proceeding.
praying for 1 day time to file an affidavit. That's what.
But I would like to see the records.
Yes. Affidavit file. So they will also file an
We
affidavit.
have the records before the court.
Yes.
You take time for filing affidavit, you don't mind.
3,000
Mr.
bigha.
Gosabi?
Look, we are the petitioners in one case.
Okay.
There are 2 cases before
Okay.
Lordship.
You'd like to have the records?
Yes.
We'll produce the records. We'd like to see the policy. How was it done?
It is
For-
absolutely clean, Lordship. In fact, what is allotted after the inquiry. Anyway, let me file the affidavit, then I'll make my
You
submission.
file your affidavit.
A wrong message has gone, Lordship.
What was the clearance taken, Mr. Das? Clearance from the authorities for a 6th schedule land?
Lordship, the executive committee of the council has decided to allot the land of 3,000 bighas because in 1998, this land, the 6,000 bighas of land were allotted to the industry department of the council. That land was not being utilized by the industry department. From that 6,000 bighas, the NCL executive committee has decided to curtail the 6,000 bighas to 3,000 bighas.
For what? For a cement factory?
Lordship,
Where is the clearance of the environment? How do you start a cement factory? Where is environmental clearance from the government of India? How do you carve out a 6th schedule land? And what is the Umrangshu? It's an ecological hotspot. How do you have a cement factory there of 3,000 bighas? Show us the record. AG says that everything is proper. If everything is proper, we have nothing to say. But we'll go strictly by the books.
That stage has not come in my humble submission. That environmental.
Let us have the
First, the land has to be given, and in fact, it is not even given. That is a wrong statement actually from all sides.
What that's the
It
case
was
projected by
purchased.
the-
It was purchased per bigha 2 lakhs rupees was taken by the council while giving this land.
Purchased by whom?
No. There's
Purchased-
in the
purchased
report,
by
in the
whom?
report, I have the report.
No, purchased by whom?
Purchased by the person to whom the cement factory is
They
allowed.
can buy 3,000 bighas.
Yes, Lordship.
A direct company.
Yes.
Where does the ceiling act goes?
Lordship, this is not like this. There are 3 composite units in that particular project.
Now, have you purchased the land, Mr. Goswami?
The whole
The
thing,
statement was that it was given on lease.
that your Lordship will kindly.
We find very much inconsistency.
Yes,
Let everything
therefore,
be on
let me
record.
file the affidavit.
File the affidavit.
That is why 1 day
And
time
this
day
is not
after
the
tomorrow.
record, Mr. Das. We want the record file. Not this kind of 2-3 pages. Get the file. When can you get it?
Lordship, let the matter come up day after tomorrow. Nobody
Get
is
the
running
file.
away.
Yes.
Because we want to settle this issue once for all.
Okay.
We will file the affidavit.
You file the affidavit.
Yes.
Mr. Goswami, let the affidavit come. I want to.
Only thing I am trying to bring it to your Lordship's notice. These kind of allotments, your Lordship will have to see the entire set of things. Every government is inviting industrialists to come and invest their states. Assam is no exception.
Yes.
They have done it. And many of the industries offered to come and set up industries in the state. So this was a state government policy. It will depend where and what material will be available in a particular part of the state. So if you find that there is a scope for a cement factory in the district of Karbi Anglong, NC, then somebody is offering that we will set up an industry, a cement factory. And not an ordinary cement factory, it's an integrated cement factory. Where all the three aspects, the processing part, the production part, the transportation and sell part.
How big are you? How big is your company? What is your net worth?
This company, the parent company has about all India, 4 or 5 cement factories. In
No, how big are you in the terms of strength, net worth? Net worth as a cement producing unit. What is your
the
strength?
capacity which we will be having.
It's not the capacity which you will be having.
The
Presently, what
has
is your net
everything,
worth?
Lord.
In the cement producing companies, where do you rank?
It's an all India.
And how 3,000 because can you just imagine how big is the Numaligarh refinery? It's a public sector. Can we know, Mr. AG?
I do know, Lordship.
No, how big? It's just like just curious.
But I am giving the example.
Can you?
No, I am giving the example of the area.
Yes.
Where this industry is going to be set up. The adjacent is the Dalmia cement factory.
Yes.
They have 2 units in that area and 1 unit is in Lanka.
Okay.
That 3 composite parts which my learned senior friend has just said, it comprises of about 3,000 bigha only.
Lanka is not in 6th schedule.
No, Lanka, there is no difficulty about 6th schedule area. There is no dispute on that. And number
there is.
If that is the cause,
the entire purpose of having a 6th
here,
schedule area.
here the policy is like this. This company is going to invest 10,000 crores for the welfare of that project. 10,000 crores is number one coming.
We have to balance.
I fully agree. Number one. Number two,
objective, whether we are taking care of the tribal people.
The Lordship can give the opinion, but for facts be placed. The next fact is that out of 3,000 bighas, about 60% can be used, rest will be all gradients. That means it is in a hill. So this is 3,000 bigha cannot be utilized. Every data is being
you put it on affidavit.
Yes, Lord.
Let us see. And Mr. Das, we would like to have the records, not few pages of the records. Okay, when? Day after tomorrow?
Let them pay. They will do it, Lord.
No, your affidavit?
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
When do we have it? Day after,
day after tomorrow.
Okay.
We do not want to delay it, Lordship. The facts, even I was startled at the beginning, 3,000. Once I see the report, it is absolutely in terms with all India parameters.
Okay. All India, there are no 6th schedule areas anywhere.
6th schedule or non-6th schedule is not the issue. The issue is whether that area.
That would be the issue.
No, that
you will have to address that if you are.
I will address. There is no issue. There is absolutely no issue.
Of the court, interest is
whether a 6th schedule area can have industry or not. That is the core question.
No, that is not the core question.
That is the core question.
That is not the core question. Core question is how many. What is the magnitude?
The Lordship knows that.
You cannot say that.
Dima Hasao was the biggest district of the country. It was much bigger than Sikkim and a lot of other states. Now it has been bifurcated to 2. West.
No.
Sorry, Karbi Anglong. And Dima Hasao is also one of the biggest.
That was Karbi Anglong.
Karbi Anglong, but here this also has a.
You put it on affidavit. Let's see.
I will file, and there is absolutely no bar on allotting a land for industrial purpose. And Lordship is absolutely right while saying that that environment clearance.
Mr. Saikia, we are not against having an industry in that area. We are slightly curious and a bit.
There is absolutely no foul play
when
here.
Area of 3,000 bighas is given to a private company.
Yes.
We want to know how much is the area given to Numaligarh refinery, which is not in the 6th schedule. Just a question coming from the court.
Lordship.
Having a township, having a hospital, having a school, having quarters, having park, having the refinery.
And now again, another plot of land for Numaligarh is to be acquired. The process is going on because there is a proposal for expansion of NRL.
Very good. Please, keep those on, put those on record also.
Lordship.
How many, what is the land normally allotted to? You can take example, you can take example of anything. PSUs. It cannot be larger than a PSU. a private company.
Lordship, the thing is like here, the industry, the factory must have.
Okay,
a
heard,
pro-
filed, heard
File a-
learned senior counsel, assisted by Ms. G. Goswami for the petitioner in so-and-so. Also heard, where is Mr. Kathar? Also heard, please, so-and-so Kathar, learned counsel for the petitioner in so-and-so. 3, RM Das, learned standing counsel. NCHAC has produced some papers. Full stop. The objective of this court while passing the order dated 12/8/2025 was not to look at few papers, but the file which contains the decision to allot the huge chunk of land of 3,000 bighas to the petitioner in WPC so-and-so. 3, thus, learned standing counsel is directed to produce the file containing all the records regarding the policy on the next date. Para 3, D. Saikar, learned Advocate General Assam, has appeared on behalf of the state and has submitted that an affidavit would be filed explaining the entire position. He has affidavit filed by tomorrow and explaining the entire position. Para, as suggested by the learned counsel for the parties, list for consideration when Thursday or Wednesday, whenever you say.
Wednesday, Lordship.
Wednesday.
Day after.
Day after tomorrow.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
I may just, off the record, I'm just telling your lordship about the area. In my first conference, when I saw that, so I asked my clients that, how are you going to utilize? I didn't say that it is unheard of, but that how are you going to utilize and what is the need? And they have given me an outline as to what a cement factory needs. And they have about 5 cement factories within the country. And comparably, the same area is needed. And if you have a composite cement factory with all the parts from grinding to the cement for sale through the trucks, then, my lord, this is comparable to all the cement factories in the country. Because that is.
Which are the cement factories in Assam presently operating?
I can't tell your lordship that. I have not inquired.
Yes, Mr. Nath. You get an idea how many cement factories are in Assam? What is the area given to them? What is the strength?
That
The
all
net
depends.
worth? We'd
That
like to
all
have a
depends.
comparison. What is the brand name, your brand name?
Brand name.
Mahakal,
not
what is
yet
your brand name?
given, my lord. We are, before we have put a brick there.
No, what is the brand name of the product? What is it called?
My lord, I don't know the brand name.
Huh?
JK Cement.
JK is different.
No, that is the subsidiary of JK. That's why I'm saying that we have 5 all over the country.
You are called JK Cement.
Yes.
Where have you stated?
No. This is an internal.
No, internal not do, Mr. Goswami. Where have you
No, this
stated?
is a subsidiary. Not of that.
No, where has this been stated? It's not a subsidiary company.
Not to be stated.
No, in the writ petition, let's see. What is your description?
No, description is a company.
It's not a
Mahawal is a
subsidiary company. It's a standalone company. It's
Yeah,
not a
but-
subsidiary. You have not stated so.
No, it is a company incorporated in the India.
It's not a subsidiary company.
No, it can be a company and it can have relations with other.
It can be a sister company. You have not said so.
No. It is not needed that I have to, while incorporating, I have to say that I am subsidiary. That will say, my lord, we will clarify if your lordship wants that.
JK Lakshmi. JK Lakshmi.
Page 10.
We still.
You have seen JK Lakshmi. What is JK Lakshmi?
JK Cement.
Which one?
Yeah. Amar petition, sir. Page 10.
JK Lakshmi.
No, we have said that. My lord, kindly.
We are at page 10 only.
Page 10.
JK
The
Lakshmi.
petitioner is a wholly owned subsidiary of JK Lakshmi Cement Limited. The petitioner is represented through its authorized representatives.
What is your net worth?
Net worth Who will have to take instructions
Please,
on?
please do, please. do.
Because these are not issues
Yes,
which
yes.
are
No, no, those
arising.
will be the issues.
No, then your lordships will have to say
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
because
No, no,
the
but
writ petition which you have filed, it is for a different purpose.
that we understand, that we
The,
understand.
the part-
Since now you have understood the,
Initially, your lordship should know that initially there was a public interest litigation.
that has been stated.
Yes.
We do not know how it was withdrawn. Is public interest in litigation, can it be withdrawn?
I can't comment.
Can it be withdrawn? It cannot be
I
withdrawn.
cannot comment on the division bench order.
It cannot be withdrawn.
So, but it was done and they have given liberty.
No, we can have another public interest. That's not a difficulty at all.
No, I have no problem.
Okay.
If it, our position is very clear. We don't want to touch anybody's land. So the government has invited us. We have agreed. There is an agreement which has been entered into, and they should give a land which is needed for the purpose of a cement factory if they want industrialization in this country or in this state.
No, the magnitude of the area has raised this.
I thought as much, but I have found.
That is why I would like to have an idea.
We'll give it a
How much is the normally allotted for
Normally, that is what
required?
I was trying to say. Normally, it is not a very big area that we have got. It is in our other areas also
4
similar.
square kilometers for a factory.
If your lordships want, we will give a detail of
That is why I ask you, what is your net worth?
If your lordships want those figures, we will give it. JK Siemens is a very old company. It has this lot of
Let's see.
presence in throughout this
Okay,
state.
day after tomorrow we'll see.
But we should get the affidavits before it starts. Okay. No, we are not filing. Let them file.
Meet
Yes.
the lordship. On last occasion, my lord,
Photocopy here, no? These are photocopies, Mr. Das. These are photocopies. Don't give photocopies to the court. That is not the intention. That will add problems to you're already in a fix. You'll be in more problem. The court has asked for the records. Please place the records. We did not be more clearer than this. Yes.
on last occasion, my lord, respondent number 4 and 5 were asked to submit their instruction, my lord.
4 and 5. Who was 4 and 5?
My lord, Yuko Bank and LIC, my lord.
You are for the Yuko Bank, Mr. Sharma?
I am for the Yuko.
LIC, Mr. Das. What is the matter, madam?
My lord, matter is regarding my lord petitioner son, my lord, late D. Chaudhary has availed housing loan under Yuko Bank, my lord, under Griha Lakshmi Yojana scheme, my lord. That is group credit life cover for home loan borrowers of Yuko Bank in partnership with LIC, my lord. And accordingly, the loan was secured by insurance coverage with under LIC, my lord.
How much was the loan?
Loan was 15 lakhs, my lord.
1.5.
Yes, my lord.
Thereafter?
Thereafter, my lord, petitioner's son, my lord, he expired, my lord.
The borrower passed away.
Yes, my lord. That is on 27/11/2019. 2019, my lord.
2019.
Yes,
He passed away.
yes, my lord.
Thereafter?
Thereafter, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, surface say, my lord, they have petitioner, my lord, received my lord notice, my lord.
You are his father.
I am mother, my lord. Petitioner number 1 is the mother, and petitioner number 2 is the brother. Petitioner number 3 is the wife of the my lord, that borrower, my lord. And 4 and 5 are minor daughter and son, my lord. They are represented by the petitioner number 3, my lord. And my lord, the petitioner has approached before the DRT, my lord, under against the notice notice given by the respondent number, my lord. By the bank, my lord. And my lord, the and the Honorable my Lord DRT, my Lord, had set aside the notice dated, a demand notice dated 17/10/2022, my Lord, page 53, my Lord.
Now, what is your problem now? It has been.
Problem is regarding, my Lord, after this order has been passed by the DRT, my Lord, they have again issued a notice, my Lord, possession notice. Page 54, my Lord.
Yes, what do you say?
Your Lordship, basically the dispute is in regarding to the policy. And they have taken a loan that is not denied. And accordingly, the loan
The
has.
first attempt to recover has been interfered with by the DRT.
Yes.
Then
We have to take again the same possession notice. Because there is no bar in the law to take.
no, in the first case, what the interference was on what grounds? Technical grounds or what?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm coming to that order.
What do you do, madam?
My Lord.
The petitioners, what do they do? Are they employed? What is your source of livelihood? Do you earn anything? What about the wife? Wife earns or what? There is a brother, wife.
Son.
No?
The deceased has a wife and I think 2 sons.
And one brother is also there, madam.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord,
First is the
instruction-
mother.
My Lord, I will take instruction.
I just wanted to know your economic position. How much is the this thing outstanding now, Mr. Sharma?
That is, my Lord, 14.
And 10 years.
My Lord, 14 lakhs, my Lord. 29,000.
29,195.
95.58. And my Lord, they have not denied that in their affidavit reply, my Lord, dated my Lord 10/11/2023, my Lord, that was LIC, my Lord, stated that due to the pendency of the Surface Act, my Lord, they have not paid to the bank, my Lord. That is, my Lord, in page, my Lord, 46.
Who instituted the surface proceeding?
My
Your
Lord,
Lordship, bank has instituted
Yes.
the surface proceeding.
Okay.
Because on the one hand, LIC is not paying us any penny for the loan account, nor the borrower has paid us. And it is not a conditions of the loan also, because we require the money only.
No, the money was borrowed from whom?
Money was borrowed from.
How is the LIC involved?
Because we have taken a group insurance for helping the borrowers.
And on the aspect of repayment, what role will LIC have?
Your Lordship, if the contingencies happen,
Yes.
then only the LIC role will come into play. So that the entire money will be paid by the LIC only.
Now, the
But,
borrower passed away.
Yes, borrower passed away long back, Your Lordship. That is the
He
date of
passed away
death.
19.
Yes, Your Lord. And thereafter, we didn't receive any penny from the LIC nor from the borrower.
Yes, what is your role?
We have filed our affidavit.
If it was insured, then you have to follow.
We have filed our affidavit. Now, stated that we have furnished the records, and there is no record regarding the deceased, name of the deceased. So we send letter to the banks that kindly give us the feedback that whether and how and when we have received.
What
that.
is your document that LIC was involved, madam?
my Lord, all the original documents which my Lord LIC, my Lord.
No,
No.
not the documents of the any correspondence with the LIC.
My Lord, I have I have submitted representation.
No, you're not your representation.
Yes, my Lord.
Any document which should show the LIC's connection with this loan.
Yes, my Lord, annexure 1, page 26, my Lord.
What is 26?
That is, my Lord, my master policy number
Yes.
211589.
Yes. Where is where is the reference to LIC here?
Yes, my Lord, Lakshmi Griha Yojana.
Yuko Griha Lakshmi Yojana scheme.
Scheme, my Lord. And my lord, annexure 2, my lord, page 27, my lord.
Yes.
There, my lord, policy number GMRA 211589.
Mr. Nath, these are documents what?
Yes, my lord. My lord, kindly come to our affidavit page 65. We have repeatedly requested the bank that we have told that some of the deposit amount is 65.
65.
60.
Yes.
It is our query is that in this security informing that from deposit amount, we are taking this to the bank. That we have deposited amount of rupees 69,805 on 5/5/2011 by transaction number transfer adjustment, and that amount has been adjusted in the name of Kanto Kakoti, Jagadish Paswal, Deepak Molla Bujarbula. We have no record in the name of Devabrat Chaudhary in our record. In the case, we have to inform you. Trying to submit as the acceptance of insurance letter. We are waiting for that. If they submit the insurance letter, then we will be confirmed that we have accepted this risk of that life.
For
Your lordship, again.
For lack of communication between you two, why should they suffer?
That is my lordship. The dispute is between the bank and the LIC now, because she should not suffer. Because that if these things.
You are not having the records.
Your lordship, my page number 76.
Yes. Yes.
Your lordship, in my reply, I have already given to them. First, they have already accepted before the DRT that they are ready to pay the amount. Then thereafter, they have changed their stand. On affidavit, they have taken the stand in November 2023. Then your lordship may kindly come to page number 76. We have issued them 2 instruments.
Okay, we'll have this for admission hearing.
Yes.
Readings are otherwise complete?
Yes, your lordship.
Yes. We'll have this for admission hearing.
Yes.
Readings are complete. List for admission hearing on 9th, next Tuesday. Is it okay? Next Tuesday, madam?
Yes.
Hello.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
We have received affidavit in opposition from respondent number 4 today, your lordship.
Who is for APDCL? You'd like to file rejoinder?
Oh, we would like to file their
Rejoinder.
final instructions also.
Okay. Mr. Goswami, for whom?
Sir.
Yes, for a statement.
We give
One
them some time to file rejoinder affidavit.
State has already filed affidavit.
Okay. Heard. Miss, your Ramsiari.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Ms. T. Ramsiari, unless counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri B. Goswami learned additional AG Assam, as well as Sri B. Das, learned counsel representing the APDCL. Full stop. Sri Das has informed that the affidavit has been filed. Affidavit in opposition has been filed. Para? The learned counsel for the petitioner raised for and is granted how much time? 2 weeks time.
1 or 2 weeks in between.
2 weeks time to file the affidavit in reply.
Date may be kind of.
List, you file list after 1 to 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
Oblige, your lordship.
Yes.
Yes, lordship. Today's petition, lordship, we have challenged the impunity notice dated 19/7/2025, lordship, and we are already protected by the interim order dated 14/8/2025 of this honorable court, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm awaiting the instructions, lordship.
And Forest Department? Forest? Forest name not shown or what?
Name not from Lordship.
Three, H. Chandran, learned State Council, Arunachal Pradesh, praised for and is granted 2 weeks time,
Lordship, 3 weeks.
3 weeks time to obtain the instructions. Para, list after 3 weeks, showing reflecting the name of SC Forest in the cause list. Para, interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day of listing.
Much obliged.
Hearing logo morning meeting as a bowling. Yes, Mr. Sid.
My lord, here is the case. The petitioner's rupees 4,13,000 has been fraudulently withdrawn by somebody. An inquiry was made at page 43, my lord. The case was compromised by the ombudsman of the Reserve Bank, page 43, my lord.
My lord, in this case, I have instruction to file our affidavit in opposition, my lord.
Year for
For the bank, respondent number 1 to 4.
Statement.
Yes, my lord. And service is not complete on respondent number 5, as per office not dated 22/8, my lord.
My lord, I will make the submission to that extent. My lord, let me read the letter, compromise letter at page 43. The case is, has been filed long back. It is more than 5 years.
When did you appear?
My lord,
You have appeared today.
No, my lord.
You haven't filed affidavit since
My lord,
2021.
actually, in this case, what has happened, earlier, the account was in the Mission Charali branch, thereafter it was transferred to Tamil branch.
Let him file the affidavit. We'll grant 2 weeks time. And what about respondent number 5?
Service is not complete.
Who is
My lord,
5?
My lord, respondent 5, actually, I have found he is not a necessary party. Because it was the order passed to the general manager. The ombudsman directed the bank to restore the money and they agreed. And now they have passed an impugn order. My lord, I'll make a little submission, my lord. My case has been pending for last 4-5 years and they are not filing any affidavit. Consequently, see page 43. For a while, the decision. My lord,
I have already communicated.
Let me make the submission. These are the pleas they have taken for last 4 years. My lord, kindly see column number 2, page 43.
Yes.
Bank version. The bank version says that they have investigated the matter and the disputed transaction have been considered as fraudulent. The branch has recommended restoration of the disputed amount of rupees 4,13,000 to the customer's account. The amount will be restored after approval by the bank's competent authority. They did not do it. By this and that way, they have held up my money. I am entitled for the interest also. I have retired from service long back. And they are blaming each other, throwing the blame to the respondent 5, whereas I have made him party, but it is seen respondent 5 function is not necessary at all. It is the general
And
manager.
let you file the affidavit.
Yes,
we may say that since 5 is party by name, his presence may not be necessary. Let us see. Part 3, RC Cycle and a senior counsel for the petitioner. Assisted by what is your name?
M. Sharma.
By Miss M. Sharma. Para. G. Jalan Learned Counsel has appeared for the respondent numbers 1 to 4 and has prayed for time to file affidavit full stop. Considering that this writ petition is pending since the year 2021, 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Para. This court has also noticed that as per office note, respondent number 5 has not been served. Full stop. 3. Saikya Dilanat Senior Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the presence of respondent number 5 may not be necessary for the adjudication of this case. The aforesaid submission would be taken into consideration at the appropriate stage.
And on the death, my lord, the admission says
we will see, file it. We will
Yes,
try
no,
to discuss. This is the old matter, 21
Yes,
matter. Okay.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Item 27.
My lord, in this case, my lord, we have to file amended post title, my lord, that inadvertently it was not filed, my lord. So will file it by tomorrow, my lord.
The IA has been allowed or what?
It was allowed on 6/11/2023, my lord, that 3239.
2394.
2394 is a new IA because, my lord, the respondent number 5 years expired, my lord. So we have filed this impleadment application, but before that, we have to file one amended post title.
But I have to issue notice in this.
Yes, yes.
I will issue notice in the IA. What is your name?
A.N. Sharma, my lord, on behalf of Mr. S. Chandra.
A.N. Sharma.
A.N. Sharma.
A.N. Harshri A.N. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri S. Chamaria for the applicant, who by means of this application has prayed for substitution of the respondent number 5 by his legal heirs, as the said respondent number 5 has expired in the meantime. Full stop. Let notice be issued to the proposed respondent numbers 5(1) and 5(2), huh? Small ones 5(2). Returnable by 4 weeks. Let steps for service of notice be taken by registered post with AD. Steps within 2 days.
Well,
Okay. Madam, you are for?
GMC.
Ms. H. Barwa, Learned Counsel for the GMC is present.
well, deeply obliged. In this case, the PNR is supposed to file an affidavit, my lord.
My lord, I have received some instruction from block development officer, my lord. I like to file affidavit. My lord.
As Dr. Learned Standing Counsel PNRD has submitted that instructions have been received and he would be filing an affidavit for which he pays for and is granted 3 weeks' time. File it, what matter?
My lord, one more submission, my lord. The Assam Information Commission, my lord, there is a standing counsel, my lord. So his names are not reflected, maybe copy not served to him.
Standing SC Information Commission be reflected in the cause list. DDECA is there.
Yes, detail. Copy the report. I love this.
My lord, in fact, my lord, I made a mention before morning.
Yes.
May not be taken today, my lord. My lord,
Yes, he wanted to make a mention because you are not informed, madam. We'll have it some other day.
Lordship, yes, your lordship, I have no issues regarding that. Your lordship, they have been seeking time since March, your lordship. Today will be the 3rd day of listing, your lordship.
Matter has been complied with.
No, your lordship, the affidavits are filed by the DC, ADC and the circle officer. Your lordship may kindly, if your lordship.
No, it's a matter alleging contempt. Has it been complied with?
It is not complied with, but the reason is stated. What is the issue, your lordship?
What is the reason?
Lordship may kindly peruse the affidavit which is filed by the Deputy Commissioner Gwalpara dated 10th of October 2041, flag A, your lordship.
Flag A.
A. This is by the DC Gwalpara, your lordship.
What has been stated?
Lordship, the reasons why the government land, it was made a cast line, your lordship, why it could be transformed, your lordship. The reasons are stated, your lordship. I'm for the respondent number 1, your lordship, in this matter. I also have the same set of instructions, your lordship. Why it couldn't be done? Lordship may kindly, lordship has found.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly come to paragraph number 5, page 66.
Yes.
If it is there, your lordship. Page 66, your lordship. This is filed by the DC, your lordship, and I'm not representing Councils are also not present, Your Lordship, right now.
What is the order, Mr. Anaf, which
My lord, order, my lord, your lordship kindly see order relevant portion, my lord, page.
what was
38,
directed? Just
38,
order dated 18/8.
18/8, my lord.
Yes, which paragraph?
Relevant portion, my lord,
On the merits and account of I dispose it in the direction to expedite the process of preparation of test map. Verification of damage. But what was the direction, madam? It was only to
Direction,
make
yes.
a field verification.
Yes, yes.
Make a
that's-
field verification and make the same report. There is no restriction or hurdle in making a field verification.
Lordship, as per the direction which I have received from the Director of Land Records, Your Lordship, they have stated that actions for addressing the claims and objections as raised by the petitioners were pending due to non-availability of Van Dyke maps. But after recovering of the said maps, appropriate necessary action in items of calling documentary evidence for establishing linkages of the petitioner's claim and objection vis-a-vis available office land records and practical field were initiated through notices. So as initiated, Your Lordship, as mentioned in this para, to execute necessary proceedings as per Honorable High Court's direction and order in this regard.
Why do you want time, Mr.
And
Manaf?
necessary action has also been done
Lord,
to dispose the petitioner's claim.
actually, my lord, I am not,
Done,
free,
Your
my lord, my
Lordship.
lord. Learned Council, MS Rajpur, where he is, my lord, suffering from eye problem, my lord. That's why, my lord,
But your name is there.
my name is there, my lord. Lord, little time maybe depend, my lord.
It was done, Your Lordship. It was done way back, Your Lordship. This instruction was received by me on 8th of October
Okay.
2024.
Sri A. Manaf, learned counsel for the petition has paid for some time on behalf of Sri M.H. Raj Bor Bhuya, who is said to be unwell.
Yes.
Miss Anne Baudelaire, learned counsel for the respondent number 1,
Yes, Your Lordship.
has however submitted that affidavits in opposition have been filed by respondent number 1 as well as
Not
one of
one, Your Lordship. For DC will be 2, I suppose, Your Lordship.
affidavit in opposition has been filed by the concerned district commissioner Gwalpara, where the position has been explained. Para,
We have filed also reply, my lord.
be that as it may.
3, 4, and
3, 4 and
6.
5, 6. Right.
Be that as it may, as per the request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed after a week. We will have next week.
My lord.
Bless you.
Obliged, my lord.
This is a contempt application.
Yes.
Notice was issued, they have filed a reply also. Now, the matter relates to
Other side?
other side.
My lord, I am appearing for the my lord, I filed my lord affidavit, my lord, for the container number 2, my lord. But one thing is, my lord, I want to point out, my lord, my wakalatnama is not there, my lord. When I saw my lord in the my lord, going to the file, my lord, my wakalatnama is not there, my lord.
Have you filed or not?
My lord, I probably I have filed. It is a long back, my lord. I have filed this affidavit. Probably I also filed the wakalatnama because the container number 2 has himself signed the affidavit, my lord. But it is not there, my lord. That is why, my lord, last time I missed this item, my lord. My lord, I rang up to the department also, my lord, to give me a fresh wakalatnama, my lord. I could not find actually, my lord. Maybe there, my lord, I could not find my wakalatnama.
Normally, when it is filed along with the counter they have filed. Maybe there along with.
No, at times in contempt, you file the wakalatnama immediately.
Yes.
Then you appear
My
in
lord,
6
actually,
time.
Mr. Harish Gupta appeared initially, my lord. Since, my lord, I was in the original case, that is why, my lord, they have engaged me. So, my lord, Probably I find.
That is a formality will allow
Yes,
you
my
to
lord, my
file.
lord. Otherwise, my lord, I am ready, my lord.
Come then.
Well,
Heard. So, you for, okay, this is central government.
Yes.
Heard Sri D. Mazumdar and Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri Bhatra for the petitioner, para, Sri G. Goswami, learned counsel, has submitted that though the affidavit in opposition has been filed,
by content
comma,
number 2.
he is not very certain as to whether the power was filed along with the affidavit or not, full stop. He accordingly prays for and is granted 10 days time
My lord,
to.
can it be 2 weeks, my lord? That officer is not here, my lord. He has transferred out. So, my lord, I need some time.
2 weeks time to obtain the instructions.
Mal.
File it.
Mal.
We are not saying anything else. 2
My
weeks, Mr. Mazumdar. Have you taken steps for complying or what?
lord, as per my lord, this affidavit, my lord, we have complied, my lord.
Madam,
And my lord, GST, again, my lord, I'll show from the, my lord, my affidavit, my lord.
I'll just make one submission because there will be 2 contempt now. What has happened, my lord, in the affidavit they have filed, they have said they have complied.
Yes.
Now, by filing a reply, we have said that the amount which you have paid is not in compliance of the judgment and you are misleading the court.
Yes, my lord, that is their
So far-
confidence. Yes, my lord, that is their confidence, my lord.
And so far as the contempt petition is concerned, in the contempt petition, we have annexed 2 documents. In the first document, they say that we have taken a legal opinion from our legal expert, and there is a opinion that we should comply with the order. Then comes next letter. Please direct the one officer is instructing another officer. Please direct the petitioner to raise the bill in terms of a particular document. Now, with that document, they go back to their original position on the basis of which they have opposed our prayer in the writ petition. And this honorable court, while passing the final judgment, has said that this document does not deprive them of their claim. Now, they have taken a shelter under same document again, my lord. So, it is amount.
So, Goswami, advise your clients.
My lord,
I'll show one from
difficulty.
My lord, yes, my lord.
I'll
My
show
lord,
from the 2 documents, my lord. I have
Use your good office.
My lord,
Otherwise, there
They
will
are
be
misleading, my lord.
my
there'll be
lord,
embarrassment for your clients.
yes, my lord.
Coming here, asking questions, facing difficult questions to answer. Why is all this?
My lord, Lordship may kindly peruse my
No,
affidavit.
yeah,
my lord.
file your wakalat number.
Yes, my lord. Well, as per my lord, this my instruction, my lord, which my lord, on the basis of which my lord I have filed this affidavit, my lord. My lord, it shows that my lord we have paid the GST amount, my lord. And my lord, beyond my lord, that I cannot say anything, my lord. I'll try to explain, my lord.
Given you time, you get this.
And my lord, yes, my lord.
Yes, next.
Obliged.
Deeply.
So now,
Lordship, we have filed the impleadment petition, Lordship. The petitioner has challenged the eviction notice, Lordship, issued by the circle officer. I have annexed the
impleadment is of whom?
Lordship.
Impleadment of whom?
They are the management committee of the cremation ground, Lordship. Of the Heltari Helagari Sanmasan committee. Lordship. The land in question in the writ petition is the allotted land for cremation ground, Lordship. So we have the direct related to the interest and right of these.
You want to implead whom? You want to implead whom?
Lordship, in the committee and represented by the
Number, there will be numbers what?
6 and 7. 6 and 7. Lordship. At 6 and 7.
6 and 7.
Lordship.
Oh, you are not the writ petitioner.
No, Lordship.
You want to get yourself impleaded in the
Impleaded.
writ. Okay. heard Sri DC Nath. Any objection?
I have no objection, my lord. I'm for the petition.
Okay, heard Sri DC Nath Learned Counsel for the applicant who by means of applicants who by means of this application has paid for their impleadment as respondent number 6 and 7 in the connected WPC 192 of 2024. It is submitted that the applicants named below are necessary parties and their presence would be required for a proper and fair adjudication of the lease. The parties naam ke diba, huh? Also heard your name?
SS Ahmed.
SS?
SS Ahmed.
Sri SS Ahmed, learned counsel for the opposite party writ petitioner, and Sri BJ Talukdar, learned additional sine qua advocate, who do not have, who have not raised serious objections to the impleadment, to the prayer for impleadment. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties, the instant IA is allowed by impleading the aforesaid two incumbents as respondables 6 and 7. IA stands disposed of. In the main writ petition, right? Write an order passed today, that is so and so, in IA so and so. The following incumbents have been impleaded as respondables 6 and 7. Naam kita diba, incumbents. Sri SS Ahmed, learned counsel for.
We need some more time to file rejoinder. May kindly allow us some more time.
No, first you have to file an amended cost title. SS Ahmed, learned counsel for the writ petitioner, is required to file amended cost title within a period of a week from today.
Bless me.
Sri Nath, the learned counsel for the newly impleaded respondent number 6 and 7, may in the meantime file affidavit in opposition. Yes. Problem.
48 sublease.
I also have filed the affidavit, my lord. In fact, somehow I missed the.
What is the matter?
My lord, relating to constitution of Anshalik Panchayat, election of president and vice president.
There are 7 days notice. In the meeting of the Anshalik, first meeting of the Anshalik Panchayat, we are the 7 members. We have not received any notice. In our absence, the body already formed.
Body was already formed, the president and the vice
President,
president has been elected.
Yes.
Yes, how did you do? 7 members are
Yeah,
before
my
the
lord,
court.
in fact, that part Lordship has already heard, my lord. That part. Only thing, last occasion, Lordship directed to file an affidavit, my lord. Somehow we missed the, we will file the affidavit, Lordship will adjudicate it, my lord. Fine.
Okay, next Wednesday then.
Yes, today is.
Today's Monday, not day after tomorrow, next Wednesday.
All right.
But filed it. But 7 are before us. How is it expected that notice?
I'll apprise. That part Lordship has already heard.
Heard Sri AZ Ahmed, learned counsel for the. We have heard means what was the hearing?
My lord. Very first day, my lord.
What was
Instruction.
it? What was the hearing about?
My lord, they did not receive the, my lord, the notice.
Notice,
That is
yes.
that part.
No, did we say anything? We have not expressed.
Yes.
There is a.
We have not expressed any opinion. Did we? Express?
No, nothing.
No,
That
Lordship,
part.
Lordship passed an.
As directed by this honorable court, my lord, that instruction was placed.
They are, Lordship failed to.
Okay, people. Petitioners, para. Sri B. Goswami, learned AAG, Assam, praised for some more time to file the affidavit in opposition to explain the requirement, the compliance of having 3 days clear time for holding the first meeting.
Lordship, this in the
No, not 3 days, 7 days. 7 days clear time
Prior notice.
for holding the meeting. Full stop. Para. List on 10th of September.
Yes.
All right.
Lordship, there is an order, interim order, Lordship.
Is there an interim order?
Yes, yes.
What kind of interim order?
Yes. Subject to outcome.
I think subject to outcome of the.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Huh? Yes, hearing will not be possible today. We have some very urgent meeting. Mr. Das, which matter?
As per the order dated 22/4/22.
41, we have already done.
42/42.
Oh, 42/43, yes, yes.
Or as per order dated 14/2/22, they are supposed to produce records relating to convert re-reservation.
Has it been? Records are here, okay, please maintain the records. We'll have it day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, we'll have it day after tomorrow. All matters.
Yes, yes.
42.
We're
possibly.
not allowed to see the record.
Let's see for let the court first see.
Because that land was allotted, but it was some part of land was encroached. Therefore, we could not carry the land record.
Paucity of time
Nice.
would not permit this matter, this court to, they will not permit for considering these matters. Para? List for hearing on either day after or on Thursday, or whatever you say.
Thursday.
No, day after, Wednesday. Wednesday is easier, day after tomorrow. Thank you.